Number one.
Mercy case mailers suit for partition, but subsequently compromised. I am one of the co-sharer. My power of attorney mailers, I am staying in outside mailers, UK.
Why you have come to by way of a repetition?
Means that because it is a order passed in the Lok Adalat mailers. Lok Adalat.
Yes. Is that
See the Kunandi. Conciliation, no, I was not here in India.
no conciliation.
No conciliation, and the power of attorney was a notarized one. How could it be?
But, anybody representing you or simply
So the power of attorney holder, they say that the power of attorney forged power of attorney. The day the power of attorney executed, I was not there in India.
somebody was representing you?
So representing power of attorney holder, saying that I am a power of attorney holder. But thing is that suppose it is a power of attorney, then it should have been registered. It is a notarized power of attorney, and
Sir, by the presentation challenging the decree passed by the Lok Adalat by way of a compromise petition filed by the opposite party, suppressing the facts about the non-appearance of necessary parties to the proceeding, doing vital interest over the property. This causes prejudice to the petitioner and the process, in that process, the opposite party is trying to create third party interest, taking advantage of the so-called compromise with the petitioner. Considered it to be a compromise. He therefore approaches this court seeking setting aside of the decree drawn in the Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat?
Lok Adalat.
Permanent Lok Adalat.
Permanent Lok Adalat. No, Lok Adalat matters. Lok Adalat.
In view of the above, let notice the issue to copy number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 6, 1 to 6 by Richard. This is the matter on 6th August. In the meantime, there shall not be any. Let's stay of operation of Lok Adalat, the order of Lok Adalat passed. Order dated the ina.
अच्छा order ଅଛି order
Prayer
date
लिखिवा कथा नुई.
oh player ରେ ଯାଇଛି
Prayer
order date
ରେ
16/6/12/2020 2014
Just the order of Lok Adalat kete order pass hitbo ko
no order ଟା
order dated
6/12/2014 page 22
6/12/2014.
2014
6/12/2014 ଏତେ ଦିନ ପରେ କିଛି ଆସୁଛି?
ଜାଣିନୁ ତ ମୋଟେ ସେ ଲୋକ ଆମେରିକାରେ ସେ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଭାଇ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିକି ଆସୁଛି ଆମେ ଜାଣି ହିଁ ନାହୁଁ ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ଜାଣି ହିଁ ନାହୁଁ
ଜାଣିଲେ କଣ ଆପଣ ଡିଲେ କଲା ପାଇଁ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଡିଲେ ପାଇଁ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ଆମେ ଟୋଟାଲି ବା ଫରେନ୍ ରେ ଅଛୁ ଆମେ
ଫରେନ୍ ଅଛି ଡିଲେ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେବେନି?
ସେଇ ଡିଲେ ପାଇଁ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଏଠି ଦବାକୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତରେ
ଏଠି କାଇଁ
ଏଠି ନା ଏଠି ଲେଖିଛି ମୁଁ ଯେ ଭାଇ
ଅର୍ଡର ଏଠି ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଅର୍ଡର କେବେ ପାସ୍ ହେଲା?
2014 ପରେ
14 ରେ ପାସ୍ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଆସିବେ 24 10 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆମେ ଡିଲେ
କରିବୁ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ଭିଜୁଆଲାଇଜ
ଆପଣ ଆମେରିକା ରହିଲେ କି ଯୋଉଠି ରହିଲେ 10 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆସିବେ କଣ
all right but I'll file a petition but it's explaining in the detail but
petition to file a way of conversion of delay ଯଦି ଆପଣ delay conversion ନ କରିବେ 10 ବର୍ଷ delay ଟେ କେମିତି
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି
next
Item 2.
The case में the father of the petitioner taken a loan, car loan in 2005, and he has 4,79,000. And he has paid the 4,39,000 during in the year 2009. Father expired my lord. Now the outstanding balance is 31 lakhs amount. I want to settle the amount. I have also given my representation before the authority to settle the one-time settlement.
ଆପଣ one time settlement right ବୋଲି ଭାବନ୍ତି?
Right,
not a right, sir.
no, not right.
The
Only
bank has to have, if the bank has any person देई न पारला I OTS फाइल कर देली यदि OTS would right अब कोर्ट को पळे आसी OTS फाइल करले तो वेट करले नहीं अपना
हमरा देई रिप्रेजेंटेशन देई आगु देई थेली
समझे OTS फाइल एटा बहुत बड़ी राइट आपण क्रिएट करछ OTS is not a right. It's not a right at all. It is a discretionary, totally discretionary. The bank has to take a call on discretion.
Only I want to settle.
Issue notice Settle ଏମିତି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଇକି କରିଦବୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
OTS ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଅଛି ଏମିତି ପଇସା ଦେଇକି ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ settle ହେଇଯିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ।
Yeah, ये quality
ପଇସା ନ
OTS
ଦେଇକିରି
settle
ଆଉ
quality
OTS OTS
OTS settle
ଦେଇଦେଲେ
quality
ଆଉ ସବୁ ପଇସା ପଳେଇବ।
reduce amount रे हो गए 4,79,000 439 दे दीजिए
Notice to the opposite party.
My lord, I have already received a copy of the writ petition and I have an instruction to appear on behalf of the
Opposite party. Mr.
Asutosh Panda.
Ponda, appears on behalf of the bank. Has received the copy. And let 2 weeks time is granted to take instruction in the matter. This the matter on 26
Published.
26
July.
Good.
Next,
Okay.
item 3,
3.
fresh admission, urgent matter, item 3.
My lord, with permission, I am on VC, my lord. In this matter, my lord, last occasion, Mr. G. Gurudev Kara has taken a read copy, and today's matter for taking the instruction from the bank, my lord. This is the question.
Now, bank has entrusted me to appear in this case. I have appear, my lord, on Friday, my lord. I pray, my lord, in the next week, I shall take this.
Bank. It's 1 week time to take instruction in the matter. List the matter on 25th.
Obliged, my lord. Obliged.
4,
For my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Das is appearing for the bank.
Mr. Das or probably he's in a death reference case.
Friday here.
Call it.
List the matter on 23rd.
March.
Next,
5,
Oblate.
5.
Petitioner lordship directed my learned brother to submit the inquiry report, whether the petitioner is involved in the alleged crime or not.
You have taken it.
Para 7, 8, 9. The petitioner has collected that PAN card from others, applied to one Neeraj Singla, and keep the cash and all these things. He's actively.
You have,
Yes,
scam.
yes.
Why should I interfere in this?
Matter kindly see. The detector,
Sir, I am not going to interfere, sir. You go, take your criminal action, whatever.
Let him file an application with the magistrate for 57 down.
This code is not good. As per the instruction
My-
received from
my lord,
the
my lord, I-
Counsel of the state,
my lord, I may pardon.
the police EOW Bhubaneswar.
Para 7, 8.
In view of the above, this code is not going to interfere, doesn't interfere in the freezing of the account by the bank. If the petitioner so desires, we should approach the appropriate authority for appropriate relief.
My lord, kindly a direction be issued to complete the conclude the trial.
କେତେ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ ମୁଁ କିଛି
Madam,
କରିପାରିବି?
One year and
ଆପଣ
1 year
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
and
ଆଇଲେ
10 months
କିଛି
already
ପାସ୍
passed.
କରିଦେବି ମୁଁ।
But
କୋଉଠି କଣ କରିକି ଥିବେ ଦୁନିଆ କାଳିଙ୍ଗାରୀ କରିଥିବେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ନାଇଁ 5 ଦିନରେ କର 10 ଦିନରେ କର ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କାହିଁ କହିବି?
ବର୍ଷେ 10 ମାସ ହେଲାଣି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କଣ କରିବି ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭାଗ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କ୍ରାଇମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିବୁ।
ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ସୋର୍ସ ଅଛି ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ତା ପାଇଁ ସୋର୍ସ नो सॉरी नेक्स्ट
item 6,
6
item 6,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, Your Lordship, may I have a glance at page 77, Your Lord.
what is the matter then
This matter regarding the irregularities of the bank, Your Lordship.
you will bank or you
Bank.
you are for the
I am for the petitioner, Your
petitioner.
Lordship.
What is your irregularity first tell me
My irregularity is one thing that I have repaid the entire outstanding.
you prefer the entire that is not irregularity okay then what happened
Your Lordship, what has happened, why I am here is, the first thing, Your Lordship, page 77, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may first come to page 70 and then page 77.
tell me what is the fact
Fact,
That
Your
is
Lordship,
what
I had been granted with a, or rather allotted with a GECL loan. GECL is Guaranteed Emergency Credit Line. That is the scheme of the government, which was allotted to all these bus vehicles, Your Lordship, those which were
Yeah,
standing during the
standing during
COVID
COVID
period.
time, yeah.
Right, Your Lordship, right. What has happened, Your Lordship, on page 74, the terms and conditions have been set out. The first term is on page 73. The, may I place, Your Lordship? Clause D, Your Lordship, page 74. That says there should not be any diversion of funds from their account for the purpose other than which it was approved. And E says funds must be utilized to build up current assets and to meet operational liabilities and restart the business. Your Lordship, I come kindly little down at the end. It is dated 27/10/2021. And Your Lordship may see from page 70 till page 76, the manager has signed, but nowhere I have signed. To connect to this, Your Lordship may kindly come to page 32.
No, what is the agreement?
What they have done is, this loan was for my overhauling of the vehicle, Your Lordship. That has been adjusted towards my EMI, Your Lordship. On the same date, 27/10/2021, clearly on my account statement, page 33, Your Lordship, on 27/10/2021, this loan
You
265.
have not paid the EMI.
No, no, yes, but you cannot divert this. Apno mo gadi ta
Just
stand
I'm
karuchi agya.
asking, have you not been paying?
No, I was paying EMI. Jo COVID period ta rahila, when the COVID was,
How many months you have not?
that must be near about 4 to 5 months, Your Lordship, because say COVID period rahi, I have cleared my entire outstanding of the housing loan, which I had availed, Your Lordship.
Forget about it now.
Then they have
Settled
attached
on
this na, they have attached both together. That is why I am comparing both, Your Lordship. Ethi kon hela, jota apna mate deithante mu gatta chalei thile repair kariki mu apna ko EMI deithanti. But apna eta ko mo EMI re adjust kar dele. Adjust kale without my consent. Apna mate eta form ta later on 18/1/2022, you are giving me to get it signed on back date. So I have lost my right there. Mo paisa ta jota ki mo vehicle chal thanta, that vehicle is standing. Vehicle stand kari rahi gala. Thereafter, Your Lordship, second thing is that 27/10 dele, 27/10 seta EMI re adjust kar dele. Thereafter, Your Lordship, on page 40 to page 76, entire thing. That is annexure 3, that is the letter of sanction, Your Lordship. Upon page 40 to page 76 jibe, nowhere, Your Lordship, eta kono kahinki diya hochi, date, anything has been mentioned. From the first page, Your Lordship may kindly have a glance. Only
So
page,
this is a blank thing.
yes, page 41 has only
But,
been filled
what
up,
is
Your
it?
Lordship. Page 41 ta fill up kariki de dele. You get it signed on the back date. And tapare ura sab
There
bhakti
is
hoba.
no undertaking for the borrower.
My lord, may kindly see this REIT application previous round, kindly see all the annexures.
Same
Already
annexures.
dismissed.
No, no,
Securitization
Already-
action Golani.
Jama nahi, already.
Kindly, my
discussed
lord,
what
kindly
else?
see.
Also take-
When you were talking, kindly, my lord, compare all the annexures.
On the same issue, you have come here on the.
No, Your Lordship.
Kindly, my lord, see the judgment, why your lordship has dismissed.
I am explaining, Your
Because
Lordship. I have
13-2 was
explained.
issued in the previous rate, she has only added the 13-2 notice.
13.
Kindly, please, when I'm talking,
See.
please don't interrupt. I am assisting the court. Dita jakara gaya annexure uda khali compare karantu, my lord. Same thing. Annexure 11A REIT re, your lordship dismissal order. Why your lordship dismissed the previous REIT application? She suppressed the issuance of 13-2. The judgment I have given, your lordship based on the judgment dismissed. Now again another REIT application on the same facts. Is it maintainable, my lord? Can the petitioner, my lord, add one more annexure, your lordship dismissal order?
Same petition.
Yes.
I
Need I say anything further, my
That's
lord?
it. That's-
The 13-2 notice I have annexed. The term loan, my lord, and GSL are interrelated. Now 13-2 notice has been issued. So your lordship held in view of the
but
Supreme
is
Court
it some
judgment.
Parida?
Same person, Sunanda Parida, my lord. Same. All the annexes are same. Everything is same. Already your lordship has held 13-2 age. You go.
Your Lordship, 13
No.
is on another aspect, your lordship.
What
13 to-
aspect, madam?
No,
Was
no,
this same
13
issue?
to-
This is
13 to
constructive res
collect-
judicata.
Your lordship,
Once
13 to,
is the res judicata is constructive res judicata, even a other aspect is there.
your
You
lordship,
approach the-
irregularities are so much, your lordship, there are, semane khali seta ko dekhe ki they will
Sorry,
say that
sorry,
will be the-
I'm not. Same issue को बारंबार बोले बोले.
No, same issue nahi, your lordship.
I'm not entertaining. Simple. This is barred by constructive res judicata. Simple. You approach the right authority. Petitioner refers in present petition seeking internal influence of this court, telling me the election of the party. Utilize the funds from the ECL scheme towards reducing the EMIs of the MSME loans contrary to the original purpose of the GCL scheme. The bank has committed wrong by diverting the GECL amount towards the adjustment of the installments. So the purpose of the said GECL was to overhaul the vehicles which were standing during that part, the petitioners whole residential house had also been, which had been mortgage for sanction of the transport loan. Had also been charged without the consent of the petitioner. Therefore, this petitioner has approached this court for judicial intervention. Learn concept of the bank, so petitioner submits that the present petitioner had earlier approached this court by way of repetition civil number 8267 up to 2024. And this court had already passed an order by not inclining to entertain the present petition. The recent petition, since the petitioner is supposed to approach the appropriate forum for the release. Since the present petition will be filed under same facts and circumstances. This is really required constructive res judicata. Hence, this court is not inclined to better the petition filed by the granted liberty to approach the appropriate forum. And if there is any delay, then approaching this forum, the delay may be controlled liberally.
Item 7.
7.
Rohit, what have you? I'll collect it later. Oblige me.
Urgent copy to-
Okay.
Item 7.
Yes, 7. 7. On appears, this is the matter of 12 August. Next,
8.
8.
I'm sorry, my lord, I am the VC. But I have to serve a copy upon Mr. Kaur. I will serve too. My lord.
Not sir.
Yes, yes, lord.
Serve a copy,
That-
not the petitioner to serve a copy and Mr. Datkar. Appears on behalf of the LIC. This is the matter on August 6th.
No, lordship, next week, lordship, may keep it because it's a matter, my lord, only insurance policy maturity has to be disbursed.
24.
But yes, your lordship, deeply obeyed, deeply obeyed.
Next,
Item 9.
9.
Item 9, I am for the petitioner VC, my lord. Your lordship may kindly turn to page 12 of my
Yaar,
repeat.
case kothe kaun to pacha ton. Matlab mo kotre ton.
I submitted a compromise proposal.
Case, short brief of the case. Tapre ton.
I submitted a compromise proposal of 55 lakh.
Kona hechi kaun to muloru pura. तापरे compromise को जीवा कौन है जी कितने लोन ले किसी को ना तो सीधा compromise पड़े what is the facts in brief
On the last occasion, you last directed me to take instruction.
I don't remember लेकिन author को ही yes please कौन है जी कौन तू what is the case about
My lord, I had availed a case credit limit from the opposite party bank, but default in the repayment of the loan amount, bank proceeded under
how much
sufficient.
loan you took when did you default you should say everything sir
So on the last date, your lordship asked the counsel for bank
I am
to.
asking the short detail of the case. Then I'll go to the last date, sir. Please. Always come prepared with 2-3 liner. What is the case about?
Cash credit limit
Page 7, commit to page 8. This is not the way.
a cash credit limit, my lord.
अच्छा cash credit केमती कौन कहते नेले केबे देई पाले नि सब कहबे ना
They fell in 2016, my lord, up to
नहीं पूरा कहबे
2016.
अपन पूरा कौन तो मत मूल case why have you
Loan
come here what happened कौन तो
cash credit limit of 1 crore, my
कौन
lord.
तो मत case टा कौन
I had availed the cash credit limit from the bank for the purpose of contracting business.
how much you availed how much you availed
Amount to my lord,
अपन
1
लोन
crore.
बैंक केस करते केते अमाउंट लोन लेले केबे नेले एते जानिबेनी तो केम देबी केस करिवे सर
2013.
2013 केते नेले कहि कोंतु सेटा बैंक वाला कहिबो आपण काई कहिबो लोन बैंक वाला देइछि ना से कहिबो आपण काई कहिबो केते देले आगे
100 lakhs cash credit.
1 crore
1 crore.
1 crore
And then it became NPA on 16/8/2000.
बैंक वाला कहिबो लोन टा बैंक वाला कहिबो एनपीए केबे हला बैंक वाला कहिबो आपण तार लोन टा नेगरी लोन न ईएमआई न भरियो जानि तो
Then my lord, thereafter,
so what why he is coming
lords, he has come here for OTS loans. In the meantime,
OTS जहां तो चली
the property has been sold.
Huh?
Property has been sold, vacant position, the land has been.
auction हे गला सब सला परे
All details.
रथयात्रा सला परे आसिक घंटा बजो रथयात्रा सैलानी सर घंटा बजो कोन
नहीं सरला पर नो काइंडली सर देखंतु गोटे पेज आपनको देखो जी गोटे लाइन
can't do anything after the property has already been sold this court can't do it
so your lordship may dispose of the writ petition with liberty to petition to approach proper forum my lord.
always that is always open since the land council the petitioner seeks to challenge the action of the opposite partner 1 and 2 in issuing the letters under answer 2 and 4 whereby the OTS application of the petitioner 55 lakhs has been rejected due to the parties have not given any written communication. Petitioner seeks answer from this court in the opposite party to allow him to deposit balance compromise amount of 40 lakhs within time to be possible and financially. In the meantime, Sri Lanka bank submits that in the meantime, the property has already been auctioned, and the
Sale certificate has been issued.
Sale certificate issued to the auction purchaser. And at this stage, this court cannot interfere in the matter. Currently, this court is not inclined to interfere in the matter. However, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the appropriate forum.
My name is.
Next,
For orders, item 10.
10.
Item 10, my lord, substitution petition I have filed, my lord. Substitution petition I have filed, my lord.
Right?
Yes.
With that,
I age there, my lord.
I number 8578.
I number 8579, my lord.
Substitution petition filed by the present petitioner is allowed. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to file it. Consider the first title and serve the copy on the opposite party. On 5th August.
All right.
Next.
11.
I met visual absent.
What is this?
Is there a restoration petition, my lord?
Huh?
What happened on 11/1, this honorable court directed me to rectify the defect indicated in the indicated by the SR.
When?
On 11/1,
11/1 year tak kaibe.
2024, my lord. So on month of 4, I have filed a memo 4/4/24 in order to list the matter. It comes to the fore that certified copy not filed, that is indicated. So that is the inadvertently that was not within the knowledge. I have appended the certified copy of the order passed by the appellate court. On
Where is the
4,
order? Where is the order?
on 4/4,
Dismissal order,
2000,
where is the dismissal order?
my annexed, annexure 1, my lord, 4/4/2024.
This is by this court.
By this court, my lord.
This court. Order by?
Defect as pointed out, your lordship kindly have a glance to
Defect to versa remove na kala.
I remove on 18th I have removed. That was not indicated.
ठीक है.
That is inadvertent. That was.
For admission item 12.
Well, member. Last occasion I have taken time on the ground that the client is desiring to engage some other lawyer. Now he has changed his mind.
Your
And I will
lordship,
be continue.
observation has come to me.
Now I will continue, my lord. You continue. My lord. My lord. What happened? Opinor 2 has filed the counter copy name short. Opinor 2 is the state file. On behalf of Opinor 2. What is the, my lord? What is the case? Case is, my lord, disciplinary proceeding ended with dismissal. My lord, working under, my lord, the disciplinary authority disagree with
Dismissal
the,
order and appeal or appellate authorities order, they are under challenge.
my,
I am for the employer.
my case is.
He for the employer, he is the main opposition.
Cooperative society.
Bank, your lordship. MCC, OP4,
Major Bank Cooperative.
OP number 4, your lordship. Yes.
Central Cooperative Bank, the employer. Well, what happened? The report of the inquiry officer was disbelieved by the, disagreed by the disciplinary authority. And then and there I filed a representation. They let my case, since there is a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Joginath D. Bagde, on that, taking into consideration that judgment, then and there I should be given an opportunity of hearing. That was not done by the employer. This is the case. And my lord, the misappropriation amount is 13,850, which I have already paid. My superior authority, the managing director, has received it from me. And the inquiring officer has reflected this. Despite that, the disciplinary authority disagreeing with. Just suppose a thief was caught. Again. With the money, when you suppose he has pickpocketed from you. Again. Right? So entire money he returned back. Now the thief is. Nahi muta agur dechi. Blame worthiness is 0. Nahi, ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ wrong allegation ଥିଲା. Wrong allegation. Sir, ଟିକେ ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ page 32. Wrong allegation ଦେଲେ.
Cannot.
Sir, page 32. Wrong allegation se charge number 5 ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ sir. Page 32. Page 32. 32. Charge number 5.
32 କୋଉଟା?
Running page 32.
ଏମିତି ବଙ୍କା ଟଙ୍କା କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
You have misappropriated a sum of rupees 13,580, collecting said amount from the loanee members and not accounting for in the books of accounts of labs as follows. My lords, the finding of the inquiring officer in the next side, the delinquent Rabindranath Behra, branch manager of Salchua Labs, has stated in a deposition dated 80/6 that he has not misappropriated the collected amount as mentioned in charge number 5. He has collected the loan and interest amount from the loanee members of Salchua Labs dated 14/12/98, 16/12/98 by issuing 4 numbers of money receipts in the receipts book number so and so, deposited the entire collected amount 13,580 only on 18/12/98 through daily collection chat in the lab service. The ex-managing director of the labs, namely Sri Chaturabhuja Naik, has received the collected amount on 18/12/98, putting his signature and seal on the body of the daily collection chat. Exhibit number 60. In support of the charge, the managing director of the labs, presenting officer remained silent. He could not produce the day book dated so and so, as asked by the inquiring officer for verification. As such, it is proved that the delinquent Sri Rabindranath Behra has collected an amount of 13,580 from loanee members of Salchua Labs and deposited the entire amount in labs office on 18/12/98. He has not misappropriated the collected amount, hence the charge not established. My lord, let a copy of the counter.
My lord, our counter, we totally believe in the counter.
Give me a copy.
Don't want to file now.
No, they have already
Filed already.
filed, but not
Filed.
served copy.
Not served a copy.
Totally support the case of the my lord senior, and he has
ନା,
misappropriated.
copy ଟା ମତେ ଦେବେ ନା।
କଣ କପି ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ତ ତାଙ୍କ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଉପରେ ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ
Sir,
ବଢେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଇଆ ନୁହଁ, ଆପଣ ତ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେବେ।
କପିଟା ଦେଇ
ଗୋଟେ କପିଟେ ସାର୍ ଦେଇଦଉ।
ସାର୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କାଉଣ୍ଟର।
Or counter file hints.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
I'm sorry.
କେବଳ
I must confirm. No, it's file.
You are saying whatever he filed, say
We have supported.
then he files.
He has misappropriated, and we are not the disciplinary
Four.
Yeah, this is-
6 to file the counter within 10 days from today. 10 days?
15 days, 2 weeks there.
Okay, 2 weeks. List the matter on 13 August.
My lord.
And along with the states.
I will also serve a copy.
File the counter
They did.
and serve a copy.
We have filed a counter, we will serve a copy.
Petitioner. Serve a copy.
My lord.
There was an earlier order, your lordship, on 1/11/2012. There was an order to me for complying. So I have already complied. I have filed the memo. The amount has been paid to him. A subsistence allowance, differential subsistence allowance.
I will.
That I have already.
Finally pass.
Yes, your lord, I have filed the memo also. Okay, it is in them. So. Item 13.
My lord.
13.
13.
My lord.
That's item 13.
13.
Item 13.
13 kids. Non-APS.
The 9.3.
Dismissed for non-pursuant.
14.
I am for opinion number 3, my lord. Last time petition was also absent.
Non-APS for the petitioner. Though he had taken time.
No, absent, that last time also absent, my lord. Last time also absent, my lord, petitioner was.
Last time he had taken time.
No, my lord. I have appeared, petitioner was not in the board, my lord.
He had taken time. But today. It seems that the present case pertains to the year 2011 and the dealing technique for the present petition. Unnecessarily keeping the matter pending. Since that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter according to.
Item 15.
15. 15.
15.
15. Non-APS. Sam Gordon.
16.
Matter pertaining. 11. Sam.
This is disciplinary. Punishment has been imposed by.
Which item?
I am for the petition. 16.
16.
Mr. Chandra Mishra.
That's Suman.
କେତେ number ରେ? ଉନ କଣ କରି?
Item 16.
ଏଟା କେତେ
এটা 15 চলবে।
ଗୋଟେ ସରି ନା ଗୋଟେ on a case for it. Once. Next.
Item 16.
This is the disciplinary proceeding punishment has been imposed. The public inspector of CISF. That here,
Who is appearing for the union?
well, here, that when the disciplinary the proceeding was initiated in 2008, my lord. That P 2013 Act was imposed. That is Central Industrial Security Codes 1968, and amendment was done in the year 2013.
Sir, Modar, what is the issue?
Issue is that
From the beginning, what is the
my lord,
story behind the story?
Story, the petitioner was the sub-inspector of CISF and was posted at Bhubaneswar Airport. He sought for leave on 21/1/2018 for 1 month on medical ground, giving the medical certificate. Leave was sanctioned and he was directed not to leave the headquarters. Thereafter, the authority directed for second medical test on 24/1/2018. It was could not be communicated to him.
What happened to you? What are the delays?
That he was depressed and mentally suffering multiple pain in the body. But due to doing the night duty, discharge and night duty for times, therefore he took 1 month.
Then what?
Then this 24/1/2018.
That leave was granted for
1 month.
It was granted?
Granted. They have admitted in the counter. Thereafter, that as he could not they received that letter on 24/1/2008 to appear for second medical test. I had given the medical certificate along with the letter.
So they didn't believe your medical certificate?
They initiated the proceeding against me.
No, no.
I joined it.
Just slow, go slow. You gave the medical certificate because of for that with that leave, right? Along with the application, you also gave the medical certificate. They didn't believe this.
They disbelieved the medical certificate.
fine.
Subsequent, like, leave was granted, my lord.
Then the medical certificate you provided after that. post
No,
facto.
my lord. I produced the medical certificate along with the leave application
ठीक अछि, तापर
and
then
sought for permission to.
So they disbelieve the medical
My lord,
certificate.
I sought for permission to leave the headquarters to go my native place in
Oh,
Bihar.
but they instructed not to leave the
Headquarters, my
So
lord.
you went to your native place?
No, I had not gone, my lord.
You not-
They asked me to for second medical test on 24/1/2008. I could not receive. Some officials went to serve it. They said that my wife refused to accept it. My wife was not staying here. My wife was staying in Bihar. So after joining, they initiated the disciplinary proceeding against me, claiming 3 charges. Out of that, the recommendation was made by the inquiring officer. The disciplinary proceeding was initiated by the assistant deputy commandant. That is,
What are the charges against you?
charges
Let's
is
see the charges.
dereliction of misconduct in discipline, dereliction of duty.
First is he did not turn up for
Second medical.
taking the second medical opinion. Subsequently, as he directed, so even absenting unauthorized leave from duty and not turning up for second medical. Why didn't you go for second medical?
I could not know, my lord. I have taken that. I could not know.
You could not know why?
But
You
it
have
could not be
communicated
served
with-
on me, my lord. Could not be served on me. I cannot know. I was staying in my rented house. I was all along my lord. I have produced the evidence. This
You don't
charge,
have the quarter.
pardon?
You are not staying in quarter.
No,
Staying in rented.
rented house. Quarter was not available. My lord, here I have taken plea that deputy commandant has initiated the proceeding. And before 2013, Deputy commandant was not the disciplinary authority. The commandant was the disciplinary. The deputy commandant appointed the inquiring officer and the presenting officer. The inquiry has submitted the report. Proving that all the charges are proved against the
Delinquent.
delinquent.
What else?
Then I was asked to give the show cause. I gave the show cause, my lord. And the disciplinary authority, the deputy commandant was not the here passed the punishment. Punishment was passed by the commandant, my lord. Commandant, out of 3 charges, commandant held that 2 charges are proved against. So punishment was imposed on me, my lord, that I was downgraded to 1 scale of pay, 1 stage scale of pay for 1 year. And during that period, my lord, I will not get the increment. I'm reading
That is
that.
punishment.
That is a
It's the minor punishment.
major punishment proceeding was initiated. This punishment was imposed in minor punishment.
This is minor punishment. This is minor.
Here, my lord, I have taken the ground, my lord, that the disciplinary proceeding initiated by the deputy commandant was not the disciplinary authority. I've taken the appeal. And therefore,
So who is the disciplinary?
commandant.
Commandant has not done.
Commandant has not initiated the
Deputy
proceeding.
commandant. did.
Deputy commandant.
The
And
commandant-
what they say that I am unauthorized absent, my lord.
Of course, unauthorized. sir.
No,
If
I am
you-
not.
If you take leave and within.
My lord, you will also kindly see the counter, what, my lord, see the their counter, my lord, they have stated.
Counter.
Counter is କହିଛନ୍ତି.
You, when they are saying you should not leave the headquarters, you left the headquarters.
I have not, I have added the evidence, my lord, I throw out my house. Owner has said that I was staying in the.
मासी ठीक है लिखी दो वाले से लिखी दो मासी मोसा है जानते ना हम लोग ऐसा लिखी
Say the actor ଖୋଜୁଛି actor ପାଇଗଲେ ମୁଁ this is the fact of the case.
Okay, what is say Mr. What is your stand on this? The Masi Maswa was also fake.
But agreements, he applied for 1 month leave, which had been refused by the authority.
Refused?
Yes, ma'am.
But you are saying they have granted, sir?
Granted. They
Why is that?
yes.
Show me the page.
Page I am taking to note.
Just,
After refusal, ma'am.
just take it.
No, no.
It's a page.
I just
Take
I
it,
am
take it,
taking that.
it's a page that you take it. Where is the page?
The my lord, I am.
You are under continuous depression. And this, this nostril level depression as that. Temporary depression or continuous depression? What is the duty, sir? The CSF, just a minute, Pacham Chavan. CSF, good constable, inspector, duty hours, just for my knowledge.
Minimum 8 hours, ma'am.
Minimum 8 hours, sir, even if
Then they have deputed all the industrials as well as the airport. And they shifted according to.
what is there, how many hours they work a day?
8 hours.
Sir, just in the country.
Then specific that.
You have to take instruction. 8 hours, who police wala 8 hours काम करती है, इधर 16-17 घंटा काम करती
In
है.
the airport, there is a regular interval, they have been changing. This person has been-
There is for general police, there is a demand for a separation of the law and order wing with the investigation.
But
Same person law order करिबो, PIP बनकर एटा सुरक्षा देबो, plus
for this
that's why
organization,
there is a the
The chief
reform
of staff is
commission,
the
police
only-
reform commission says there should be separate. But सरकार को तो time नहीं है separate. बाकी तो मैं बहुत time.
But this unity only to guard the industries and as well
Sir,
as.
pata hai, I know what they do. I am asking what is their total time, hours of work. That you take instruction on that. I want to pass some note.
Yes, ma'am, I definitely.
They are working more than the 8 hours.
8 hours. I have
କେତେ
more than
ଘଣ୍ଟା
8.
କାମ କରନ୍ତି?
ମାନେ ରାତି 3ଟାରେ
ନାଇଁ, ଏବେ ଏମିତି ତିନିଟା ଦୁଇଟା ନାହିଁ, ଦିନକୁ କେତେ ଘଣ୍ଟା?
till the
ନାଇଁ, ମତେ କେତେ
minimum 8 hours.
ମିନିମମ୍ ଏଇଟା ତ ସବେ କରନ୍ତି, ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ନୂଆ କଥା।
Minimum, no, it is
ଅଧିକା ଯଦି କରୁଛନ୍ତି
due to requirement, due to the schedule of flight. Sometimes flight reaches late.
But 8 hours ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି, ସେ nature of job ଅଛି। 8 hours ଅଧିକା ତ କରୁନା।
ଅଧିକ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
କେମିତି? ଆପଣ
ସେଟା ଏଇତେ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ହେଲା ତା previous date ରେ 20 ତାରିଖରେ 20ରେ discharge due till 3 p.m.
ସେ କାମ ତ ସେମିତି ଆଉ ଫ୍ଲାଇଟ୍ ହିସାବରେ କରିବେ ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ କିଛି କହିବ।
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ ଠିକ ଟାଇମରେ ବି ଆସି ଜଏନ୍ କରିଗଲି। ମୁଁ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବାରେ ମୁଁ ଡିଲେ
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମଞ୍ଜୁର ହେଇଥିଲା? କୋଉଠି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଉ ମାନେ ସେକ୍ସନ ପୁରା accepted ସେଟା
ମୁଁ ମାର୍କ କରିଥିଲି just they have admitted that the leave was not to leave the headquarters. They have admitted it.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଖି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ଆଡମିଟ୍ ଛାଡ଼ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଇଦେଲେ କାମ କରିଦେବେ।
ଦେଖି ମାର୍କ କରିକି ଦେବେ।
That consider the petition. 6-2. I will give a written note of submission.
Yes.
Final କରିଦେବି। ଆପଣ ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। I am fixing for final hearing on 12 August. Final prepare ହେଇକି ଆସିବେ both side with
note କରିକି
case law whatever ଯାହା ready କରି ଆସିବେ ହେଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
And more importantly ଏଇଟା ଦେଖ ଆପଣ find out କରି ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ କପିଟା ଦେଖେଇବେ। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
sanction list
that is the crucial. That is the crucial.
admit करते ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ଦେଖିଛି।
ସେଇ the crucial. That is the crucial. When they have admit କରା ହେଇଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
That so you have a they have not admitted.
Yes, I have got it. Final order.
Okay.
Page 55.
Page 55.
Paragraph 1, Roman I. ସେଟା ହଉଛି ରିଟ୍ ର paragraph annex 6 ର।
16 ରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
Page 53 ର ହଉଛି annex 6, page 55 ଅଛି final order ରେ ଅଛି।
Page 55.
Yes. Roman I ର second paragraph. A government servant can be granted leave.
Yes, this is not a sanction.
No, that the CEO was permitted to avail the leave, medical leave, and he was directed not to leave the station. Final order ରେ ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ କହୁଥିଲେ ନେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣ
final order ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Anyway, both of you finally I'll finalize it. Is there ଆପଣ written note of submission both of you?
ଆଜ୍ଞା। 12.
Next.
17.
17. 17.
May I please lordship? This is relating to the compassionate appointment, my lord. The compassionate appointment rehabilitation assistance scheme. The petitioner's late father died in the year 17/12/1997 while in service. Then after by his, the petitioner's late father, petitioner's father. My lord.
Then what?
Then after he applied on 1/7/1998.
When did he die?
17/12/1997. 12/1997. My lord. Applied on 1/7/1998.
He applied on 1/7/1998.
My lord.
Within time.
Within time.
Their application form.
Annex 3, my lord.
Then
Then when his application was not consummate, it was kept pending.
but did you file here? It is
2011
1997 or 2011 food file.
no, REIT is filed in the year 2011
1997, 98 थोड़े अपना apply करे और
no he represents देला 17
12
बार
years for it.
my lord से representation देला किंतु kept pending for 8 years
8 वर्ष representation फिर आपको और representation देखिए 8 वर्ष को 10 वर्ष को मैं बोलूँ
later से
हाँ?
these are 10
ये अपन को हमें consider कर लेते हैं post नहीं post नहीं
consider करନ୍ତୁ since 1990 rules
Okay. What age कितने है?
age अभी का 51
51. अच्छा डॉक्टर का वैसे कहाँ तो अलग है दोनों को और लोगों को भाई इसमें ऐसे चाकरी करने को बोलो ये चाकरी करने पॉसिबल बात है ऑलरेडी पोस्ट नहीं तो
consider करे में representation देला
I'm closing it. Non-consecutive petitioner submits that petitioner father was serving as a PN in the office of General Manager Bhubaneswar C. Joe, and he started on 17/12/1997. And the petitioner immediately thereafter, the petitioner approached the authority for seeking an employment under, employment under rehabilitation assistance scheme on 1/7/1998. There was a proper inquiry on the distress condition of the family by the collector, which makes out a case for appointment under the rehabilitation assistance scheme. However, after despite waiting for 8 years, the corporation has not considered the appointment under the said scheme. Hence, the petitioner was constrained to approach this court. The matter was taken on board. The unconscious of the OFDC appeared and submitted that since the corporation doesn't have any vacant post, hence the petitioner's case would not be considered, even if the petitioner applied in time. He further submits that the petitioner's father was a Delhi's wage earner in the Erstwhile Forest Corporation Development Limited since 1/1/1980, and he was made regular on 1/5/1989. As per the regulation rule framed on the basis of tripartite settlement dated 14/3/1980. Later, two other forest-based corporations such as Simli Pahada Forest Development Corporation and Orissa Plantation Development Corporation were merged into one entity called Orissa Forest Corporation Limited with effect from 1/10/1990. And as a policy decision of the state government, the new corporation named as Orissa Forest Development Corporation Limited after the said merger, it was found that lot of employees were surplus in the regular category because of the merger of the three entities. The corporation later engaged Tata Consultancy Service to study the situation of the corporation and Said consultancy service submitted a report in 1992 wherein it suggested for reorganization of OFDC and about 3,281 persons were shown to be surplus vis-a-vis the workload available in the company, the corporation. Hence, the Tata consultancy service suggested trimming the organization's strength. Accordingly, in order to restore the financial status of the corporation. Hence, there are many employees who were disengaged from services. Considering the above facts and circumstances, it was not possible on the part of the opposite party corporation to engage the present petitioner under the rehabilitation assistance scheme. Hence, his case could not be considered. In view of the above, the case of the petitioner cannot be considered by the corporation. Hence, this court cannot pass any mandamus to the corporation to engage the present petitioner under the rehabilitation assistance scheme. Accordingly, dismiss. Next,
18.
18.
May I plead sir. The fact of the case is, the petitioner was appointed as a shop assistant. Appointed as a shop assistant. Shop assistant. Dukan.
Dukan.
Yeah.
Shop
SHOP. Shop assistant. In the district of Kandhamar. And while he was continuing as such, he was put under
Which shop?
Mahua flower. Mahua flower. Mahua flower. I'm sorry. TDCC. Tribal Development Cooperative Corporation. Yes. So he was appointed in 1973. 73. He was put under suspension in 1977. Thereafter, my lords, again he has reinstated. Shortage of some Moha flower, shortage anything. And his case was considered, he was reinstated. Reinstated.
Then,
after reinstatement, again he was put under suspension.
Hello. गप्पा काम करो एटा पंचायत मीटिंग थोड़ी कोर्ट बाबू कोर्ट को कोर्ट वाले रेस्पेक्ट दिया वो पूछो वैसे yes
again 1993 he has put under suspension and on 16/6/99 his service was terminated. Being agreed by that, he filed an
why
because there is shortage of Moha flower.
बाजीगिरी खा फुल सेक्शन अछि केमती रिसीव करिया का फोन हेले एक्ट केबे व्यवहार करंती एबन एक बहुत लोग व्यवहार करंती मु जानि छी
नहीं मैं
करना बहुत लोग करंती मु सेति आज करबा पे बात करी जनरल क्लॉजेस एक्ट नोबडी यूजेस दिस एक्ट द एक्ट अछि बोली बहुत लोग जानना जानि थे बट दे डोंट यूज इट
Section 27 mailers.
कौन अछि
Meaning of a service by post. where any central act or regulation made after the commencement of this act authorizes or requires any document to be served by post, whether the expression serve or either of the expression give or send or any other expression is used,
Then
then
unless a
on
different intention appears, the service shall be deemed to have been affected.
affected. Affected.
Affected, not
Effect-
affected.
Effected by
Of
proper.
course, not affected.
Yes.
Affected.
This is the- so
So, ତା ମାନେ କଣ ହେଲା? ଆପଣ deemed to have been affected.
I'm coming. I have
ନାଇଁ,
as my lords always say.
I wanted
Yes,
to
yes.
impress upon you that this is one act nobody follows. That's why I'm telling.
Yes,
Please
yes.
follow this act also.
And it is proved today and just now.
File ani, fuel ani, act କଣ ପାଇଁ କରାଯାଇଛି? ସେଥିପାଇଁ act ବନିଛି।
Aye.
ସେଇ section 27 ପୁରା mind ରେ ଗାର ଟାଣିକି ରଖିଥିଲା। ଏଟା ଉପରେ ରଖିଥିଲା ଏଟା। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଏଟା ଦେଖିବେ। ଏଇ act ସବୁ use କରିବା ଦରକାର।
So after 10 years,
Especially in the service matter ରେ ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଲେ ମତେ ଦେଲେ ମତେ ମିଳିଲା ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ପାଇଲି ନାହିଁ। ଏ ଗୋଟେ common ଏଇ act ରୁ invoke କରିକି ମୁଁ order pass କରିବି। ମିଳିଲା ବୋଲି ନା। Section 27 general clause।
So, minors, after 10 years, they communicated ordered me when I wanted to get it through RTI Act. And what they say that my appeal is rejected. Being agreed by that rejection order, I have approached to my lords in the present writ petition. And after 11 years, they filed a counter. After 11 years of my filing writ petition, they filed a counter. And in the counter is of 90 pages. I wanted to know whether the man is alive or nowhere in the earth.
So finally you want to take time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Long and short of the story.
2022 ରୁ time ନେଇ ନେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ନା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କେମିତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା 2011 ରୁ 2022 ଯାଏ ଟାଇମ
File reply file late କରିଛନ୍ତି after so many years.
22
ଆପଣ 8 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ reply ମାଗିଲେ ସେ time 8 ଦିନ ମାଗିଲେ କଣ ହବ?
ନା ନା ସେ ତ
only that my play.
You notice that. So give them a copy. You got the copy?
I've got the copy.
So I'm fixing it for 14th July. Sorry, I'm 14th August.
Yes.
14th August is the final date for hearing.
Yes, yes.
You prepare your note and give me your note. And ଆପଣ general clauses act to quote କରିବେ. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ help କରିବ. 37.
ଫାଇଲ କରି ସବୁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା ଫାଇଲ କରି
ହଉ ସେଥିରେ note ରେ quote କରିବେ general clauses act. Team to have it. ସେଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I've already prepared ଟିକେ note of argument and
general clauses act refer କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ତା କରି
ନା ସେଟା କରେ। ସେଟା କେହି କରନ୍ତିନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି। ଆପଣ ଏବେ ରିଭାଇଜ ନୋଟ କରିକି ସେଟା ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ କରିବେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
19
फाइनल हियरिंग सेदिन आउ टाइम मागिबेनी की सर
आगे
हां रिटन नोट ऑफ सबमिशन रेडी कराइ दिए केस लॉ जा देबे के देई के दे देबे सही दिन सब फाइनल आउ केस लॉ को खोजी भी 10 दिन पाइबे
आगे
पूरा फाइनल हियरिंग नेक्स्ट
item 19
yes tomato
The note of submissions and department proceeding matter.
You have heard now?
Yes, earlier my
only note of submission.
Earlier my lordship had this matter, and there is a simple two question whether the natural principle of natural justice has followed or not, and whether the notice has been served or their reply or not. That is the only two things is there. So I bring to notice of my lordship that is the I have given the notes of submission also, and there are 2 pages. One page is the दे दो page 40 of the brief. Page 40 of the brief, Miller. That is the I further submit my defense statement on the charge framed against me. That they are they are claiming that they are not solved the charge, and I have not replied. This is not the statement of defense. This is what he has placed before the inquiry officer. Lordship may see.
Give me your report.
Yes. Page 37.
And
another page says that I am presenting my case.
And
page 57, another page 57.
Just. এটা আপনার নোট না?
No, note tankar, এটা more.
And they have not stated all these things are pleading and counter nothing.
ঠিক আছে, I'll take care.
And another page 57, my lord, only.
Not pleading and not somebody open.
Counter नहीं जो हमें.
Counter देना है.
Counter देना है.
They have not.
Counter देना है.
हाँ, they counter file कर. And in the meantime, he has retired from service and all the benefit he has received.
But this is relating to his pending dues.
And another page 57. Page 57 खाली. Page 57, my lord. This is the punishment order. Last para page,
57.
my lord. Therefore, before taking any action of the report of the inquiry officer, in order to enable him to the defense his case and provide him the natural justice, a copy of the inquiry officer report was given to the delinquent on 22/2/2010, via his office letter dated 18/2010, with the direction to submit his reply, representation, if any, within 15 days. On receipt of the letter, for the above delinquent has submitted his reply, representation on 5/2010, which is received on 6.
This is the second show cause.
This is the second show cause, and they are received and they are giving the reply also.
My contention is the first.
This is the
Second show cause for what? Second show cause আমরা word এটা lightly আমি use করছি. That is actually, if you are, that is basically when you are the ফাঁসি দিতে আনতে কি? ফাঁসি দেওয়া পর কিছু কইবার আছে কয় ভাইয়া। এটা হচ্ছে সেটা।
Mo copy দিও।
হ্যাঁ, যদি সেকেন্ড শো কজ তার না আসতে আইছে।
this is the two things.
আপনারা কিছু কইবার আছে কোনটো সেই সেকেন্ড শো। ফার্স্ট না দিলে সেটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট। সেকেন্ড না দিলে
First he admitted that I am received. The page 40.
Page 40.
My lord.
Page 40 it's not there.
Page 39 रे লেখা আছে I became surprised when I received the office order of suspension.
Wait, page.
Page 39 last para रे. I became surprised when I received the office order of suspension
I became surprised.
at my residence. I personally meet the SK Mahanti, DIG CRP Bhubaneswar on 10/1/2009, explained everything in detail and submitting the
Okay, you give your you have given both of you
and the
Your mo copy done.
Okay, next.
Item 20.
20.
20.
I am for opposite party, Millers.
Opposite party.
On the last occasion, nobody was appearing for the petition.
You are for?
On behalf of SK Das.
Sorry?
SK Das.
SK Das. Fine.
My lord, say absent out of station.
Out of station. You are you?
My lord, I don't file.
You don't have file. Why have you come here with the school? जब अगर फाइल नहीं कोर्ट से अलाउड नहीं है तो गेट लोकेट रखी बिना फाइल काम
My lord, my lord, more tanka association रे no, किंतु सार खाली information कर.
Proxy council.
No. My lord, say information करते जे क्या अर्जेंट पता है.
मैं तो वही proxy बोली कुछ. Okay. This is the matter on September 11. Next.
21.
21.
You want my lord.
Light bulb.
On the last occasion, Lordship may kindly have a glance on the last order. Lordship was pleased to direct my friend to obtain the report filed by the commissioner.
Which commissioner?
That matter, my lord, against the order of Human Rights Commission. The petitioner was serving as IIC of Malaya PS, received a complaint, appointed a person sub-inspector as IO. Subsequently, the person complained about the violation of human rights. And after the inquiry was made by the Human Rights Commission through its investigating
So,
wing.
have you filed? You have
Your lordship, state has to file because.
eight, you have to file.
No, not
You have filed it?
report of
Police commissioner,
Report by Amo.
police
Order
commissioner
tarif.
report ta. Apaga Shivara. Police commissioner report.
I will get it. Let it come next week on Monday.
This is the matter on 1st August.
Yes,
Or
sir.
asked by the state to file the report of the police commissioner as directed in the order of dated 1/7/2024. This is the matter on 1st August.
Interim order.
Next,
22,
22.
item 22.
I am not. Okay. Some other day. 7th August. Next.
23,
ମଝିରେ କହିଲେ ଆଉ ଶୁଣିବି ହେଲା 7th August ମାନେ 7th August ସେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଜଲ୍ଦି ଆସିବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆଉ ପରେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବି best 7th August ଆଉ ଆଗ ପଛ ହବ next
23,
23 on last occasion, it says directed to submit that notes of argument.
yes
Thanks.
is our only note of rather opposite party you are for the opposite party
Yes, Lord. Opposite party 3 and 4.
this for the petition
I'm for the petition.
order
It was hard at length on to be mentioned, it was there that cooperative matter.
yes
Aye.
there is some doubt I have that's why
That I have. Problem.
next
24,
24 24
24, my lord, the file was with Mr. Mishra Sonok.
He's not
There,
there.
he's not there. Friday.
this is the matter on 29th 29th next
25,
25
25,
note
Note of submission.
both of you both of
I am already filed, my
you have
lord.
already done? Order you. Next
He got all his dues except 99,000. Can I say what is liquid ratio of that? At all.
अपन लिखते थे इधर कौन कहले you paid all the dues
He got agreed except 99,000 bits of withheld. मैंने से उठा loan sanction करते हुए जो थी कि security रखना
except
99,000.
99 why that 99 not paid
सेटा जो loan disburse कर ले सेटा LIC को security रखते
Sir,
LIC रो security
so 90
liquid security रखना था
तांगा दरबार पड़ले एत की और काट ले अपना
Tamra bank. Oh, sorry, 25 liter. It's not number one.
अब कोडे कौन सी इठा दूँ तो जान पहले वो लिख ली
Sorry?
इटा एक केस रहता ना आगे
एक केस का पूरा 25 liter.
ठीक है जिता कितने 99 था ना 25
99,000.
ओ अपन 25 लगे पूरे वर्ष आगे था एटा कितने 4
15.
15.
15. 15.
ठीक है पढ़ लो
My instruction is we have paid everything.
No, my lord, they have miscalculated regarding SC assured career progression and accordingly fixation of my pension and other financial emoluments. So, my lord, I pray, my lord, I will take instruction on this and file an affidavit because they have miscalculated.
okay you file the correct calculations
Yes, my lord, yes.
That counsel the petitioner to file an affidavit with correct calculation. List the matter on 12th August. Next. Next.
27. 27.
27.
Yes, my lordship, been 27. I'm for the people. And last occasion, my lord have directed to submit Tahsildar report from the government.
You got that? Tahsildar report.
Yes, no, I have not received the copy, my lord.
You give a copy now.
Copy मतलब my lord, you can state it party नहीं. 2016 matter. हेला जी state it party नहीं ना. Okay. बिना copy रे मुमकिन नहीं करेंगे.
और ठीक copy दे दे. Copy दे.
Last time I have solved the copy to another council of the state.
And they are on the Jula Sarkar.
Okay, okay.
Give a copy, list the matter, 12 August.
Oblige.
Okay, 14.
Yes.
14.
Oblige.
28.
28.
Application for rehabilitation assistant.
Sorry?
Application for rehabilitation assistant scheme.
Under which department?
Under municipal, Cuttack Municipal Corporation.
Here what has happened? During the year 96-97, about 200 some employees were appointed. That means without any resolution, without advertisement, without any sanction force.
Backdoor.
Yes. So that is why, well, a PIL was filed. Then this honorable court said that let the government inquire into the matter. The government inquired into the matter and found that this appointment is void. That your lordship will get. That document is there. That is void.
Page?
Page, I'm showing to your lordships. Huh? He has sought for the passing of annexure 1 and 5. 5 is the document. Page 50.
Annexure 5.
Annexure 5. Your lordship kindly see annexure 5. In inviting reference to your letter dated so and so on the subject noted above, I am directed to say that the government, after careful consideration, have been pleased to declare the appointment of 117 persons in the year 96-97 and 157 persons in the year 98-99 appointed by your office order detail below as void, since such appointments have been made contravening the section 75 and 73D of the Orissa Municipal Act 1950, as well as the instruction of Finance Department letter so and so. Copy. Let's we will find here number 1, the annexure 3. This is the appointment of that. That means the husband of the petitioner. Husband of the petitioner. Your lordship will find annexure 3. Annexure 3 is page 12.
Just. This is Ramarao.
Ramarao.
Venkat Ramarao.
Venkat Ramarao, lordship will find. Kindly mark this order, office order. Number 6517 dated 3996. Then your lordship will find annexure 3. Page 12.
Just.
My lord, just
This is just a let me.
Yes.
The serial number 14.
I got it.
But this petitioner has died at the time this verification was made and it was declared to be void that time. So now the wife has come up and saying that give us rehabilitation appointment. And your lordship kindly then my lord, your lordship, he has challenged also annexure 1. That is the order. Lordship kindly see page annexure 1, 1610-15. This is nothing but relying upon that government order. This is regarding compliance of the order dated 3/8/2015
passed by the Honorable High Court in WPC number so and so. Accordingly, the petitioner B. Kumari, wife of late B. Ankat Ramana Rao, ex-drain gang, has submitted a representation along with copy of the aforesaid order of the Honorable Court with a prayer to consider her case to appoint her in CMC under rehabilitation assistance scheme. After receipt of the said representation, the petitioner was requested by CMC office letter number so and so.
I got it.
Yes.
What do you want to say?
What I am saying, my lord, that annexure 1, your lordship have a glance.
I have already glanced,
no.
sir. Many,
What-
many glance.
What happened, my lord?
Tell
No,
me what is your point? When your service was not there, what is
No,
what
no,
is the- where is
my lord,
where is the question about
Just
rehabilitation?
your lordship have a glance at page 12, my lord, at serial number 14, my lord. He has been appointed gangman of drain gang, gangman.
Your appointment is
Just
quiet.
what I am submitting, my lord, at page 12, serial number 14, the B. Ankat Ramarao, son of B. Appanna. This B. Appanna has been died during his service period. And
How does it matter? Be Appanna died or not died?
My
Your
lord,
appointment itself is birth, then how does
what happened, my lord?
it with the rehabilitation?
I'm a rehabilitation scheme re se paithila, my lord. What? No,
Regular procedure paile haba na?
Khali just I am submitting, my lord. I have filed a additional rejoinder. What I am giving you one point, my lord. I have given an additional rejoinder, my lord. Your lordship have a glance at page additional rejoinder, my lord. Page 13, my lord. Additional rejoinder.
There only, page 13 କଣ ଅଛି କି?
ସେ ସେଇ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତା
ନା,
ବାପା
ଟିକେ
ଥିଲା
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ,
rehabilitation।
ମୁଁ କହିସାରେ।
ବାପା ଥିଲା ଯେ କଣ ହେଲା? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଏ ଅଛି ଆଉ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି?
ସେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ବଳରେ କରିଛି
ଟିକେ
government।
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ବଳରେ
ସେ
ହେଇଯିବ।
କଣ 13 ରେ RTI ରେ ମାଗିଲେ
RTI ମାଗିଲେ regarding availability of file relating to issue of distress certificate in favor of Venkat Ramana. So distress, your lordship have at page 14, my lord. At page 14, my lord. So next page, my lord.
ସେମିତି ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି ବି ମୁଁ
My lord, ସେଟାରେ
rehabilitation restriction is not your right, it is your discretion. ଯଦି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ଦେବେ ନା।
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ ପାଇବେନି ଏମିତି ବି ପାଇବେନି।
ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ଇଲିଗାଲ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ମୁଁ ସେ
Otherwise also you not get.
distress lady
Already what you know obeys, you know, मोटापा आदमी का मोटापा खाता है या
ଦେଖେଇছে ନା ନୋଟ କରିକି ଦେଇଛି ବି ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ଦେଇଛି ଡେଟ୍ ଚାର୍ଟ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି।
ଆପଣ ପୁରା परफेक्ट ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନୋଟ ବନେଇକି ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନୋଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଚାର୍ଟ ମତେ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନୋଟ ଦରକାର।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
14 ତାରିଖ final hearing. The parties to give note of submission and 5-minute time shall be granted. 5 minutes.
10 minutes.
ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ତ କରନ୍ତୁ ବାସ୍ ଏମିତି ସେଇଟା ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଲେ ଲାଭ ଆପଣ କରନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା ଦରକାର ପଡ଼ିଲେ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ 15 ମିନିଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଟାଇମ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଣ୍ଟ ସୋ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଏଜ୍ ୟୁ କନଭିନ୍ସ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ କାଣ୍ଟ कन्विंस 1 minute shall not be given. Okay, next.
29.
May I please, my lord?
1 week time to file written.
In this case, your lordship had directed both the parties to file a note of argument. I am ready.
Monday.
In fact, my learned senior had appearing for the petition had concluded his arguments. So he had raised 3 points. I've addressed those 3 points along with the memo of citations. I've also given the regulation.
Okay, 5th August time diyala.
I'm serving a copy of the note also.
It is up to you. No compulsion. ठीक है? Okay, तारा केबे 13 रे कहली 13
5th August.
5th August.
5th August.
5th August.
दे
टाइम मांगी
आगवा दे
शॉर्ट ब्रेक
Item 30.
Today, in course of the day, I am filing, I am already sought the copy one of the petitioner counsel. As per requirement, one affidavit has to file. And I have to file today. I am already sought the copy and in course of the day, online I am filing this.
What is the?
Regarding to the substitute appointment, the petitioner claiming that as a substitute, they have to observe in the, as a substitute under the railway board, and they have filed a rejoinder in the railway, my lord.
Board, railway board is,
No, railway, sir.
railway board is the substitute appointment.
The railway board have a selection.
Railway board is the apex body.
Yes, I know.
Your lordship had directed me to file an affidavit. My learned friend has filed the affidavit, and my lord, he cannot file this since because today the process of online has started.
No, yes, and as a central government, we have to file it.
Your
So in course of the day, I am filing, I have already solved the copy.
Next.
31.
31.
Item 31.
31.
31 ever. It file haven't made rejoinder. Last time I was before your lordship and the state council objected.
He had to file a rejoinder. Now he is serving just now.
Rejoinder, so.
ସେଇ
ଗୋଟେ paragraph oppose କଲେ।
କେମିତି ନ ଦେଖିବି କେମିତି କଣ?
ଓ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଦିଅ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଟା।
ହଁ ଦେଇଦେବି।
ଆଉ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କପି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
ହଁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ହବ।
Sir to both.
2nd August.
ଏଇଟା ସେଇଠି ଫାଇଲ ହବ ବୋଧେ। ଆଜି ନୂଆ ନିୟମ।
ବଢିଆ ନିୟମ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପରିଶ୍ରମ କମିଛି। ନୂଆ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ଲାଗୁଛି। There is saying na unknown angel. This is unknown angel. এটা হচ্ছে known devil.
Your lordship may appreciate one thing.
Time thila ଆମେ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ଟା ଫାଇଲ କରି ଇଭେନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ରିପୋର୍ଟିଂ ହେଇ ନଥିଲା ମେନସନ କରି ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି କୋର୍ଟ ବି ୱେଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ଇଟ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଲେଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ ବି ବ୍ରଟ୍ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ରେ 4ଟା 5 କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର
ସେଟା
ଜଷ୍ଟ ହରିଲା ଲାଗଲା ୱେଟେড
ଓଭରঅଲ ଇଏ ରେ ସେଟା ଏଟା ବେଷ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ ସେଟା
ଲାଗେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ କଣ୍ଟିଜେନ୍ସି ଟା କେମିତି ହବ
ସେଇ କଣ୍ଟିଜେନ୍ସି ବି ହବ ସବୁ ଥର
ସାର୍
ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଦାନ୍ତ ଉଠିଲା ବେଳେ ପେନ୍ ହୁଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦାନ୍ତ ପୁରା ଉଠିଯିବ ଆପଣ ପେନ୍ ଟା ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ସେମିତି ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଏମିତି ଲାଗିବ ଏବେ ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ ନୂଆ ଯୋଉ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଲ ଅଛି there are many people ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ CM motion also you are for the petitioner respondent
only one summary on 12/7 minutes an additional affidavit had been filed minutes in pursuant to your lordship's direction minutes probably noting says
respondent ko respondent
2 and 3 lords oka clerks
pura na koibe na
oka clerks
oka
affidavit on 12/7 was filed but noting says it has not
so
there.
you argue madam what is this you are ready with the written note of submission
I have already filed last class. Petitioner before attaining age of 58 years, the age of superannuation as per OCA guidelines. He has filed a petition before this honorable court to extend the superannuation age from 58 to 60, which is disposed of by this honorable court. Directing the opposite party to consider the representation under anniversary period. That was though that was considered, but it was not implemented to the petitioner and the reading order was passed.
So basically your grievance is twofold. One, you have the age was increased from 58 to 60. So you while you are at age running at 58, you file a petition. No. What?
Before attaining 58.
Before attaining you file a petition. Okay, so make it 60.
Yes.
Then they didn't allow you.
They need to allow him to.
Didn't allow you.
Yes.
Why?
And daily order was passed.
Why?
For superannuation.
Why they didn't allow you?
Did not allow because
Is the government scheme, whatever government scheme.
Government scheme.
Just a minute. If whatever government scheme, it automatically applied to the public sector undertaking? Automatic? Is there any such circular? Is the government scheme is automatic to be applied for public sector undertaking? Or the public sector undertaking, there to be a resolution passed by the board of directors and they will do that. Suppose in particular they will
They
do.
enhanced.
They announced. When?
After the government enhanced the age of superannuation. from
When
thereafter-
when did you attend the age of supervision? 58, when did you enter? 58 how many
58,
Huh?
58, 31,
के पहले?
12, 2008.
31st 12
31st
2018 रे ହେଲା
2008.
ଆଉ ଏମାନେ ଲାଗୁ କେବେ କଲେ 60 year ଟା
After 1 month, just after 1 month. Before that, they were taking the plea that the burden will be borne by the OCA. So there is financial burden. So the proposal-
anybody who has in similarly placed like you have been considered?
Yes.
How many?
In the-
They have retired after 1 year, sorry, they have retired just before 1 month,
No.
like you.
No.
They have not considered?
No.
Then
My submission before the Lordship. So,
what is your best point, tell me?
so, as per agenda 15 of 42nd governing body meeting of OCA held on 26/4/2016, decision was made and finance department has recommended for enhancement age of superannuation of OCA employees from 58 to 60
On which date?
on 26/4/2016.
20,
26/4/2016.
and you retired on 2018.
Retired on 2018.
So 16 they have already decided.
Yes,
that you are-
decided finance department also recommended. Approved.
It is approved by the
Yes,
OCA.
finance department.
So why, no, I'm asking about your organization. OCA, when did OCA accepted that recommendation? That is a crucial date. When did OCA accepted the recommendation of finance department that the age should be from 58 to 60 for retirement age?
Yes.
So that was definitely after your retirement only.
After retirement.
Then how can you consider?
My submission is. before
If
the-
they have considered to other people and have not considered you, then you have a case. Otherwise,
So I have filed the petition before the Lordship. before
maybe you
after
might have
58
filed,
years.
you came here, you got a representation disposal order and went there.
Yes,
then
yes.
Then
And
again.
after that, so the proposal was approved by the finance department.
Now,
And
proposal
when
approved,
they
maybe
accepted
proposal
the-
might have been approved, but unless the public sector undertaking, the board of directors pass a resolution that, okay, in our organization also there will be 60. That it is not, that
After
has
that
no
month.
meaning at all.
So my requisition was pending before this only.
ଆଉ
At that
reputation
time-
ଆପଣ କିଏ କହିଲା ମାନେ କହିଥିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
After
ଆପଣ
one.
ଆଇଲେ ଏଠିକି କିଏ କହିଥିଲା
So same plea was taken
କଥା
before
କଥା
1
କିଛି
month.
ପଳେଇବେ reputation ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ଆଉ
After 1 month, they have allowed the.
after 1 month ଲାଗୁ କଲେ after 1 month allowed କଣ ଲାଗୁ କଲେ after 1 month
Yes.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଧରିକି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ଶୁଣି ଜଣେ ତାଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ କଲେ ବାଇ ଦ ଟାଇମ ଯିଏ ରହିଲା ଯିଏ ଗଲା ଯିଏ ରହିଲା ତାର ଲାଗୁ ହେବ ଯିଏ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରିଥିଲା ତାର ଲାଗୁ ହେବନି ଦିସ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲ ରୁଲ
The 2 persons also retired on same date.
ସେମାନେ
They were
ଦେଲେ
allowed. 31/1/2019.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେମ୍ ଡେ ରେ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କଲେ ଆଉ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
Same
ଦିଆହେଲା
day ରେ allow ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ continue କରିବାକୁ.
ଆପଣ ସେମ୍ ଡେ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ
ମୋ
କଲେ
ସେଥିରେ ନୁହେଁ।
ଠିକ ରେ
Last occasion, I have submitted.
I am telling you simple ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ହେଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଲାଗୁ ହେଇନଥିଲା
ଲାଗୁ ହେଇନଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ plea ଦେଇଥିଲି ଯେ OCA will
Okay,
bond
ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
the financial burden.
okay this is something
But we have given already the judgments ଦେଇଛ
ଏଇ ଲେଭେଲ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଦେଇଛି
ଏଗୁଡା perspective ହବା ପାଇଁ judgment ଗୁଡା ଦେଇଦେଇଛି
always it is perspective sir
ତାପରେ OCA କି ଯେ
even
registered
I have given 2-3 judgment on this this is perspective
OCA is a registered society now.
naturally
And then a lot every resolution has to be approved by the nodal department, that is IT department.
IT.
Then we passed a resolution, what she says is correct, that as late as
Why did you pass the resolution for other two persons? Other two persons were CC. They retired on which date?
31st January 2019.
In December report.
Yes.
On that day, approval was there.
ତ ଲାଗୁ ହେଲା ପରେ ଯେ ପାଇଗଲା ରହିବ ପର୍ସପେକ୍ଟିଭ କେମିତି ଦେବେ? ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଦିନ ରିଟାୟାର ହେବେ ସେଦିନ କୋଉ ଲ ଅଛି ସେଦିନ ଦେଖାଯିବ। ଓକେ ଅର୍ଡର ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 34.
34
34.
The petitioner is a retired say, PS secretariat cadre. He was joined through the selection in the as a PS for Human Rights Commission. In similar footing,
what is the petitioner was what is the case?
they rejected my
From the beginning, tell me what is
matter. The petitioner is a retired private secretary of Odisha Secretariat cadre, working as the PS to Human Rights Commission.
That cadre kona sir private secretary cadre ki
Madam.
kona tar
Private secretary of Odisha Secretariat cadre, madam.
private secretary Odisha secretary cadre
Madam.
private secretary cadre
After retirement, जो
human rights
re-engage.
हाँ हला तो फिर कौन हला
He was given the consolidated remuneration 9,000
Human Rights.
Human Rights Commission.
कौन हला तावरे
The similar footing in the Human Information Commission, they are getting the 15,000. So I make a representation to the chairman Human Rights Commission, which is forwarded to the Law Department. Law Department rejected without assigning any reason. And yesterday, in the previous state, he was supposed to consult.
if information commission is getting the same salary why not this
Here after disengagement, he is now claiming the benefit.
that
And on 26th May 2015, he was engaged on consolidated pay of 9,300. And and thereafter a resolution came to enhance it to 1,500.
15,000.
after
15,000.
disengagement after
No,
disengagement.
in between.
In between.
And that must be prospective.
But at that time he was there
He was there and after some months, he was.
ଯେତେ ମାସ ଥିଲା ସେତେ ମାସ ଦେଉନି? ହଁ। ଯେତେ ମାସ
That
କାମ
part,
କରିଥିଲେ, କେତେ
let
ମାସ
me
କାମ
obtain
କରିଥିଲେ, କେତେ
instruction.
ମାସ ଥିଲେ?
Well,
କେତେ
17
ମାସ ଥିଲେ?
that is
ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ରେଜଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଯୋଉ ଲାଗୁ ହେଲା ପରେ କେତେ ତାପରେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଆପଣ ଥିଲେ?
less than 1 year, madam. 1 year.
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ when was the resolution was there for enhancement? Date କୁହନ୍ତୁ enhancement resolution କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
7th of April 2016.
7th April
2016.
two thousand
16.
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଲାଗୁ ହେଲା enhancement ଲାଗୁ ହେଲା ଏଇ ଡେଟ୍ ଲାଗୁ ହେଇଗଲା from this date the
No,
enhancement
1/1/2016, madam.
Huh?
1/1/2016.
ଭାଇ ଲାଗୁ କେବେ ହେଲା?
Yes, 1/1/16.
Good works. Next up to page 18. Finance Department.
next up to
Page 18.
एक 2016.
With effect from 1 Vihaswara.
hey where is that?
Let's see, page 18, got it?
Page
18, 1/8. Sixth line. With effect from 1/1/2016.
तो 1/1/2016 आपण गले केबे
ये गले 17 17 से डिसएंगेज ହେଇଛନ୍ତି।
Disengage on 2/6/2017.
2/6/2017 तो 1/1/2016 रू 6 months, roughly 5 months.
Well,
But whether this is applicable to existing employee or
से
new.
से टाइम रे तो कहीं देली एक लागू होतला से 17 जाथिले ना नथिले that person continued to this 17
Yes,
is
he
not
was
asking for
continuing. Yes,
age
he
what?
was continuing, but he was not claiming anything. And after disengagement, now he came up with.
And you have not given him, and you should get him. You should give him. Okay, allowed. Pay him. कितने 5,000 तक कितने कोड़ी?
well, 500.
अब आपने 12,60
Okay.
Okay.
1 lakh.
कितने 75 80 ना इतने काम शुरू हो गए। ये लेते पैसा दे बांट चुके हैं काम करते हैं बिना दबे। बंटा हो चाहिए थे।
Good.
जो मैंने जोगियों ने इसमें को बांटी दूसरे लिए थे आज जोगियों तक दूर हो गया the petitioner filed the present petition seeking direction from this court to open but no one to allow the petitioner a consolidated re-employment remuneration of rupees 15,000 per month with effect from 1/1/2016 at par with retired private secretaries of Odisha Secretariat cadre who have been re-engaged in Odisha Information Commission Bhubaneswar, initially at a monthly re-employment remuneration of 9,300, which later revised to 15,000 from 1/1/2000. The case of the petitioner is that the petitioner joined the Odisha Human Rights Commission Bhubaneswar as private secretary in response to by applying through an advertisement and he joined on 1/6/2015 and continued as private secretary to chairperson till 2/6/2017. He further submits that initially he joined as private secretary with the remuneration of 9,300 per month as applicable to the private secretaries then, which was later revised to 15,000. As per the notification of Finance Department, sorry, as per Finance Department Office Memorandum number 11501/F dated 7/4/2016. Since the Information Commission, the private secretary to Information Commissioner is receiving the said amount, a petitioner should not have denied the said amount. Consequently, the state submit that since the petitioner has already limited office, he cannot claim for the enhanced pay, a remuneration, enhanced remuneration. The argument advanced by the Karnataka state cannot be accepted since the petitioner was working till
2/6/2017.
2/6/2017. And during that period, the enhanced remuneration was already in force, but the petitioner was denied, he said enhanced remuneration. Hence, this court is the view that the petitioner should be paid the enhanced remuneration. Area enhanced remuneration. For the period he had worked. From which date?
1/1/2016.
1/1/2016 from 1/1/2016.
2/6/2017.
Accordingly, the code department,
Law department. Administrative
concerned
law department.
department shall calculate the amount and release the same in favor of the present petitioner within a period of 3 months. Accordingly, the petition is allowed being disposed. So disposal is allowed. Next,
35.
35.
The petitioner initially joined in the year 1991 in government as junior stenographer grade 3. And after my Lord, Orissa Electricity Reforms Act 1995 came to force, the petitioner services was placed at grid pay. And as per order of the government, the grid co given service benefit with the pay scale from 1/4/97, but they have not given seniority from 1/4/97. And person joined after 1/4/97 has been promoted by superseding the petitioner. And my case was not considered. Earlier, I filed a writ petition that was rejected. And person filed writ petition before this honorable court.
The written notes were submitted.
The order of and he was extended the benefits. That is at page final 44 judgment of this honorable court dated 17/3/2015.
Page
45. 44 is starting page 44, annex 9. In case of Gaurahari Jana.
Page 44.
44. Relevant page 47.
Gaurahari Jana after case one.
Gaurahari Jana, he initially joined in the government in grade 1 stenographer. After Electricity Reform Act came into force, both joined in grid co.
On which date you joined?
Only 96 million.
1/4/1997.
They even one permanently absorbed 1/4.
Merger ହେଇଗଲା ଆପଣ permanently କେବେ absorb ହେଲେ
1/4/97.
1/4/90 ଆସିଲେ କଣ
ସେ ଗୌରବ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ 1/4/97.
No, see, observe
What is it? So why this same person, they join on the same day, they have not considered?
The Gauravi Jana was working as a junior stenographer since 1972 under government. Thereafter, he got permanently absorbed on 7/1/2004 after the withdrawal of the OA that has been filed by them.
Forget that withdrawal of the OA, all this I am not. Then this man, when did he join?
7/1/2004.
This
After withdrawal of his OA.
Hey, madam, this petitioner kebe join
This
kala?
petition joined on 5/8/2003, my lord.
I wait.
No, I am in Lordship can see their counter 101.
List of data diyantu ma ete confuse hochu to list
Already written notes has already been filed, my lord, on the last occasion 9/7.
100. Of G annex G/2 of their counter.
What is his name? This man name is Sao.
Serial number 6.
Sao.
Okay, Sao. 1/4/97. Permanently absorbed 1/4/97.
1/4/97.
97. As per government direction.
1/4/97 तक permanent absorb होला. ଆଉ
98 appointment
अरे मैडम ऑलवेज जेतले को आपण केस ये थाय कंफ्यूजन क्लियर करे थे आपण से बॉक्स भीतर घुस जांती एडी आसी कोन होंदा
9 तारीख दिन आगे सब रिटन नोट दिया है कि ऑर्डर रिजर्व ହେଇଥିଲା
ओ एंदी की
आर्गुमेंट ହେଇଥିଲା my lord.
Order was reserved. Last time I am appealing for
private opposite party number 4, I stated that I will file a written note of submission. Therefore, you will. I am also filing a memo of citation.
Sorry, you enjoy at home.
My lord, I'm out of station as to it appearing through VC, my lord.
Oh, where are you?
Both, my lord.
Both? What are you
Yes.
doing at both?
My in-laws' house is there.
You carry on. That's I was just telling. Next.
Seniority and promotion are par with juniors, my lord.
36.
Well, that Baleshwar bus conductor matter.
Bus conductor. Oh, bus conductor. He's not there.
Last time that
Counsel
happened.
is not there. What?
Last time that happened also.
Time Counsel will assist.
अरे सप्ताह को नहीं सप्ताह रख
He's not there. Out of town.
बोलेंगे.
He's gone home.
Then next Monday, my lord.
He told me, he come to meet me. Anyway.
Next Monday, my lord.
Monday, good. Next.
37.
At 7.
Not right by the Tata Power. Cost title, in case of UNESCO, in this case it allowed. So it would be managing director, sorry, chief executive, equity and not DF. Better achi managing director, UNESCO. It are replace it. In this case, we got what amendment? Cost title amendment. This case allow है register consolidated cost title दे दी
File को सिद्धा
file
release the matter on केवे argue करके कौन तू
मतलब move counter task ले I am prepared counter task
file the count 2 weeks कितने तक 2 सप्ताह परे okay 3 weeks release the matter on 14th 15th 20th August 20th August
consolidated
हाँ दे दी अपना ध्यान दिया वहाँ next
38.
38
Item 38.
38
opposite pack number 4
petitioner पे के non-appeals for the petitioner
this application has rendered infructuous in the meantime by order for this tournament. Can see the
order for the petitioner
after the during the pendency of the oil before the tribunal, interim order was passed. That interim order was challenged before this honorable court in WC this number that 22/306 of 19. After the abolition of the street tribunal, this original application was transferred to this honorable court for adjudication. My lords, in the meantime, by order dated 11/10/22, this honorable court has passed this order, but that original application which was transferred to the honorable court.
कौन है कौन तो सर पूछी गली अपन कौन है finally कौन आने खाली
contended that by influx of time the requisition has been introduced, but that means
influx of time.
Yeah, my lord, 2018 advertisement for the post of
advertisement.
Yes. So due to non-submission of experience certificate, they are going to be rejected. So they approve this honorable court.
Okay. The matter taken off petition submit that. Since the pura influx of time I'll write it. The petitioner challenges the in the present petition, the petitioner challenges the rejection of experience certificate and rejection of application for the post of attendant contractual for Bargarh district in pursuance to advertisement dated 27/12/2018. In the meantime, all the appointments have already been made, and the certificate is there. and the petitioner did not submit the experience certificates. In such view of the matter, the writ petition is rendered infructuous accordingly. The writ petition is disqualified.
Just may say one line, the submission of experience certificate is a prime or mandatory requirement in with the application.
Though
form.
the submission of the experience certificate is mandatory,
With the-
in response to the advertisement where to the advertisement the petitioner applied for, but it was not submitted
along
by the
with the
petitioner.
application. Yes.
Hence, the petitioner case could not be considered by the opposite party. Accordingly, the petition is further, so many years have been passed since
5 years.
advertisement was published. Accordingly. Next. Best. Next.
39.
May I please, my lords? What is the case, my lord? The gist of the case is, there was a select list of 2008 of 39.
Case.
The gist of the case is, there was a selection by in 2008. 2008.
Sir, post.
Data entry operator, data entry operator. What happened 2009, a person junior to the select list and to me, given appointment. I challenge 2010 people enter.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ last time ରେ ଥିଲା ଯେ produce କରିବା ପାଇଁ select list।
ଆଣିଛି ମୋ junior କୁ appointment ଦେଲେ, ignoring my seniority. I approached on tribunal. Tribunal given a finding in my favor. 2014. That
just. Apana join kale as a data entry operator in it call.
made the selection. Submitted to commercial sales tax department. Commercial tax department.
CEO as a what? I mean,
Data entry operator.
Contractual basis।
Contractual basis.
Contractual basis. So ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି selection list.
ମୋ serial 8 ରେ ଅଛି। serial 8 my lord.
Serial number
8.
Pushpanjali H.
No, sorry. No, man, I am at serial number 13. Vibhuti Bhushan Ratha. Person at serial 32, Alaka Rai, kindly see. 32.
Serial number
32.
It is select list.
Yes, my lord. She was given appointment 2009, my lord. She serial 32 was given as a data entry 2009, my lord. I challenge this is her appointment before on tribunal. 2010.
A select list serial number 30.
13.
And this Alakar is
32.
32. So what is the problem?
Alakar has given appointment 2009, my lord. Ignoring my seniority. Data entry operator. No, say contractual. I was not given a contractual appointment. I approached on tribunal. Sorry. 2009. Sir. 2009.
ମୁଁ ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ଏ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ କେବେ ହେଲା
2008 my lord
2008 କହିବେନି ଆଉ
ମୁଁ ନା ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇଛି
2008 ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଲା
ମୁଁ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇଛି ବି ହଁ ହଁ ଠିକ yes
2008 ରେ ଆପଣ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଲା in that selection your rank is 13 right
my lord
and that the other person Alakar rank is 32. So on the basis of this selection list, appointment was in which year?
2009 Alakar has given appointment on contractual basis. मते देले नहीं। मते मु चैलेंज कर ट्रिब्यूनल 2010 केस फाइल कर 2010 चैलेंज कर 2014 मु जीतिली ट्रिब्यूनल डिसाइडेड दैट आई एम सीनियर टू Alakar give him appointment 2 months and senior fixed above Alakar according to 2015 has given appointment after contempt they have given me appointment 15 day. So their latches I suffered 5 years. There in 2016, government there is some cases filed for regular service. The service Alakar was regularized by government from 2015. In the year, that order was passed.
966 year.
Order was passed in 2000.
Regulation 6 year.
Order was passed 19
Sir,
with
ଟିକେ ରୁହ।
हाँ sir हाँ
ଆପଣ ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି
ନା ନା ମୁଁ
କି
ଟିକେ
ପଳେଇଲେ ହବ?
ନା ନା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
Not, store
ନା ନା
machine କି
ନା sir
ପଟ
ନା ନା
ବାହାରିଯିବ।
ଆସ୍ତେ
ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଯିବେ ନା ଆଉ।
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ହଁ ଅଲଗା given ହଁ yes
You know, you are the master of your fact.
no sir no sir
I'm trying to grapple.
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ
Yeah.
sorry
Have some mercy on me.
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ହଁ
So, because she was appointed in the 2009, so plus 6 years.
In
she became
2015.
eligible for regulation in 2015. And since you are appointed in the year 2015, that's why you were regularized later.
2021.
About 21 ହେଲେ ତ ସେ ଆପଣ କେସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେଟା ଅଲଗା କଥା ବଟ୍ ଆପଣ କହିବା କଥା ନା because I was in this above in this select list, I should have been appointed and I should have also been regularized in 2015. Regarding with that, you have we lost 6 years.
that is my entire case entire case that is my entire case 6 years loss I lost
Okay, ଏତିକି ତ କଥା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Okay,
and
କଣ ପାଇଁ 6 years loss କଲେ କହିଲେ? ତାକୁ କାଇଁ ଆଗ ଦେଲେ?
Our case is that after tribunal gave the order,
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ କଥା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାକୁ କାଇଁ ଆଗ ଦେଲେ? ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁନାଲ ସେ ପରେ ଯାଇଛି ନା ଆଗ ତାକୁ ନ ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ସେ ଗଲା ଆପଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କାଇଁ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ?
because he was regularized from 2015, we gave him regularly service, he is already regularized, 2000.
Sir, I'm not on that. I'm on the one fact. When the select list, this person was above that particular lady. So why this person was?
That
before
instruction,
person was given? That is not
he has not
okay.
given a rejoinder to me, I will take that instruction.
Take instruction.
Yes.
Otherwise, you have to regularize.
Yes, yes.
Post it.
Yes, yes.
This
Your
is called
lordship.
administrative vandalism. Or कुछ नहीं. This is the best word. कौन इच्छा जागू चाले ताकू
मत ଗୋଟେ rejoinder copy.
दे
देखो कार रिलेशन दे ही ऑफिसर गणा पेचना ही जो रही थी
region to reach out
अपन दे देते
that is the only point my lord
so you take the instruction and concept of the state to take instruction, which is why the present petitioner was not considered for appointment in the year 2009, though she was along with the serial number 32 Alaka Ray, though the petitioner was ranked above in the select list. A copy to the so as per the merit list prepared by the for the general category, because of the delay in the appointment, the petitioner had to approach the Orissa Administrative Tribunal, and the matter went on in tribunal till
2014
2014.
that is my lord dated
2014.
25/7/2014
The blood council petitioner submit that the litigation was unnecessarily imposed on the present petitioner because of the pick and choose approach of the department, which is nothing but administrative vandalism. File the reply on this aspect only.
Take the instruction, my lord.
Take instruction on this. 13 August.
My lord.
Next.
मत ଗୋଟେ rejoinder copy ଟେ
ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଦେଇ
ସେଇଆ
ଆମେ ମନା
କୋର୍ଟକୁ କହିଲି।
ମୁଁ
Item 14,
ଆଉଟସାଇଡ କୋର୍ଟ କହି ଦઉં ଆଉ
item 40. Item 40.
Nine. None appeals for the petitioner. On earlier occasion also the petitioner had kept taking time. The matter has been pending since it has been, since the petitioner not in the personal matter. However, 1 month time is granted to the petitioner to file an application for excavation, if any cause restrictions arise. Next.
41.
41 ଟା ମୋର ଫାଇଲଟା ରଖିଥିଲି ଜଷ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ ରଖିଥିଲି after lunch ଫାଇଲଟା ରଖିଥିଲି ପଡି ଦେଖୁଛୁ
rejoinder copy do nanti rejoinder copy do
ଦେଇ ସବୁ ଠିକ
nahi record nahi
କଣ ହେଲା?
ଫାଇଲଟା ଏଇ ରଖିଥିଲି
ଆପଣ ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଦେଇ ଦଉନ ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଦେଇଦିଅ।
ଫାଇଲ ଟା ଜଷ୍ଟ ରଖିଲି
ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଦେଇଦିଅ।
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ମୋ ଫାଇଲ ଆଣିଥିଲି
ହେଲା, ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ କଣ ହେଇଗଲା ଆମ ଫାଇଲ କଣ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ?
ମୁଁ ରିଟର୍ନ ଟା ନେଇକି ଆସିଥିଲି।
ହଉ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରନ୍ତୁ।
Here is the case, my lord. This gist of the case is, while continuing driver in police department, I faced an accident in 2002, my lord. Serious accident.
You are the driver.
Driver.
You are the permanent employee.
Permanent employee.
Then
2002, he faced serious accident for which a right leg was impugned. 2011, the promotion was granted to driver Havildar. I refused because of my health condition. 2013, my lord, no RSCB rules came into force. RSCB resolution, 2013. But I was not granted the RSCB on the plea that I refused. That's and
That is the rule. That is the rule.
no, I filed the citation of an appeals court that disability person should not be deprived the benefits because of the region.
disability person.
But their leg or right leg amputated. ଗୋଡ଼ କଟିଗଲା
Despite disability, we have granted.
ଗୋଡ଼ କଟିଗଲା ତାପରେ କଟିଗଲା.
Despite disability, we grant him
But
promotion.
he can't take the promotion.
That
That
is-
गाड़ी कितनी चलेबो?
Exactly, my lord.
Here, in,
लोग गोड़ नहीं से गाड़ी चलेबो
he was driver.
आपन ऑफिसर यदि दिमाग
नहीं, driver ଥିଲେ, driver post, that is also driver post.
ହେଲା driver post ଯଦି ଦେଲେନି ଗୋଡ଼ ଲୋକ ସେ advantage ନେଇ ପାରିଲାନି ତାହେଲେ RSCB ଦे ଦେବେ. Promotional advantage ତାକୁ ନେଲେ ଅଲଗା କାମ ସେ କରୁଛି ନା.
No, I returned to 19.
ବଡ଼ କାମ
Yes, 2019, 31/5/19
promotion ଆପଣ କେବେ ମିଳିଥିଲା?
2011 ରେ
11 ରୁ କେତେ ଆପଣ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କଲେ 2019
19%.
କଣ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ?
ଅଦର କାମ ଦେଲେ ମତେ ଆଉ ସେଇ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଦର କାମ ଥିଲା।
ସେଇ other କାମ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ promotion ରେ ବି ସେ driver ତ ଥିଲେ nature of work is same.
No, driver Havildar promotional post. You have to
driver ତ ultimate driver.
ଆଜି ଡ୍ରାଇଭର କେମିତି ଗାଡ଼ି ଚଲେଇବ? This is something
ମାନେ till retirement he was working as a driver.
ଆମର post ଥିଲା
Only
ନା।
yes, promotion ରେ ବି driver ସେ ଖାଲି promotion ଟା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
Havildar
Havildar driver.
exactly
Havildar driver.
ହାବିଲଦାର ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ସେ post ହଉଛି ହାବିଲଦାର
Havildar driver. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ରିଫ୍ୟୁଜ କଲି।
Ultimately he will drive the vehicle.
No. Your officers are such insensitive. Very insensitive. How can just a person ଗୋଡ଼ କଟି ଯାଇଛି ତାର
And the judgment which he is relying upon in that case he was yes.
allowed.
So he refer to para 16 of the
They did not answer.
answer ଲଗଉଛି written note ଦେବେ।
ମୁଁ ବି ଦେଉଛି।
7th ଲଗଉଛି written note ଦେବେ ଆପଣ।
ଏକଦମ
systematic
ଆଣିଛି
କହିଲା ଭଳିଆ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଲେଖିକି ଦେବେ। ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବେ 6 ତାରିଖ ଦେଲି ପରା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି।
ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 6 ତାରିଖ।
ଏଇଟା ଫେର ପରେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କି
କିଛି କଥା ନାହିଁ। ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ
7th ରେ
ଏ ଫାଇଲ ଫଟୋକପି
ନା ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ରଖିଥିଲୁ ଦେଇ କୋଉ ମିସପ୍ଲେସିଂ ଦେଖୁଛି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଖୁଛି ଏଟା ନେଇ ତ ଭାଇ କୋ ୱାନ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଆମ ଦେଇ ଦେଇ ଦବ
ଫଟୋକପି କରି ଦେଇ ଦିଅ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଅପ୍ଲାଇ କର
ତ 6th ରେ ମତେ ଦେବେ ନୋଟ। Next.
42.
This is the last order. This is the downgrading of scale of pay which was allowed after retirement, 3 years after retirement. They said that the regulation of the pay fixation was not proper. You will also specifically ask them to file reply.
I have already filed.
Right. What is the issue?
Probably that has not been brought into your lordship's record.
Sorry?
That has not been brought into your lordship's record, man.
सरकार आज लाइट काहे पड़े से ठीक कहतु। People are facing a lot of problems. Everybody is sweating. लाइट नहीं एसी कोड चलिबो। ए बाप जनरेटर चलछि।
बावड़ा यात्रा लाइन काढी।
बावड़ा यात्रा इट पूरी देउछ एठी तो लाइट कर।
Supply some copy of the counter.
Supply electricity.
ତେଣୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବାହୁଡା ଦିନ ଛୁଟି କରିବା କଥା।
ଆମେ ଛୁଟି ଚିଫ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ କୋନା ରଙ୍ଗ ଜାଗାରେ
ଆପଣ ଛୁଟିଟା ଫୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ହୁଏ।
ନାଇଁ ଫୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ଚିଫ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ କହିଲେ ସିନା ଫୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ କି ଡାକିବ।
ନାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ କରିଥିଲେ
you will call the full court na
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କରିଥିଲେ
la je
କ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଡର କଲା ବେଳେ
ଡାକିଲା ଲୋକ ସିଏ ନା
ନାଇଁ କ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଡର କଲା ବେଳେ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନା
ଆଉଡା ଦିନ 17 ଦିନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଜବରଦସ୍ତି କରାଇଛି
ବୟସ ହେଲାଣି ତା ଦେହରେ ଗରମରେ ମରିବୁ
ଗରମ କି ଜାଣିଥିଲା ଏଟା ତ ଅନଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟେଡ ହେଇଛି
ବାହୁଡାରେ କାଟି ଦେଇଥିଲି।
ବାହୁଡାରେ କାହିଁ କାଟିବି Okay, next. Next.
Next date, madam,
Monday.
22.
43.
43.
43. 43.
Loan amount has already been settled with the bank. Amount has already been deposited.
Settled.
My lord.
Okay, care of a Malga. 1st August. 1st August.
My lord.
44.
The opposite party number 2. There's a matter is a infectious matter, my lord. After taking the money from the employer, the account has been closed. Account has been closed with the HUDCO. HUDCO had granted a loan to the petitioner through the PPT. PPT is an employee, and when the account became NPA, then the petitioner had filed a writ petition before this honorable court. And the writ petition was disposed of with a direction that all the amounts will be paid by the PPT to the hood by giving
Now
the
what
cons-
happened?
That is the petitioner
Loan sanction.
petitioner is
Yes,
pursuing-
loan,
is
loan,
not-
loan sanction in the year 2003, my lord. Agreement is there, my lord. The loan would be recovered during the service period, not after retirement, my lord. There were 67 installment. Petitioner already paid rupees 5,58,000 against rupees 3 lakhs, my lord. Last date, order dated 7/12.
Against rupees 3 lakh. मैं 3 लाख नहीं दिले, मैं 5 लाख दिली.
Last date, your lordship have a glance. Your lordship directed to file.
Logically कौन?
Last date, your lordship have a glance 7/12/2023, my lord. Your lordship directed to file affidavit. Our gratuity.
Rate of interest. When the market rate increases, that's also it increases. Within the extra instrument.
The agreement would be recovered within service period, my lord. We already paid, my lord. Gratuity amount cannot be held up, my lord. Section 13, payment of gratuity act, lordship have claims.
We have received the money from the PPT, my lord, because the PPT were the employer who had taken, given the guarantee.
Last.
So you have got the money.
Money from the PPT.
You got the money.
Yes, received, and the account is closed.
And for PPT.
You have given the money.
Last
My
occasion, your
Then what
lordship.
is your-
Last
My
action,
lord,
your
after-
lordship directed to OP number 2 and 3 to.
अगर पैसा तो मिलेगा सब तो साथ करो.
Gratuity held up condition ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ 3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆଣିଥିଲୁ 12 ଲକ୍ଷ 13 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ସାରିଲୁଣି କ୍ଲାସ 4 ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟୀ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ଡକ୍ଟର କ୍ଲାସ 4 ଇଜ ସଫାଇ ବାଲା ଡକ୍ଟର ଇଜ ମ୍ୟାରେଜେବଲ ଏଜ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
ସେଗୁଡା କହନ୍ତୁନି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଲୋନ
ଆରେ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି ସର୍ଭିସ ପିରିୟଡ ଭିତରେ ରିକଭରି କରିବେ
କହିବେନି କେବଳ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେତେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ନେଲେ କେତେ ଦେଲେ
last occasion lordship directed to file affidavit stating there is need for deduction money they have not yet filed order
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ସାର୍ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଚାର୍ଟ ଦରକାର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲୋନ ଇଏ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ କେତେ
3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା
3 ଲକ୍ଷ ଫରୱାର୍ଡ କରୁଛୁ ହାଉସିଂ 3 ଲାख ଲୋନ ନେଲି କେବେ ନେଲେ
2003 ରେ 2003
କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା
ସେ ନେଇ ସାରିଲେଣି 15-16 ମସିହାରେ
ଆପଣ କ୍ଲିୟର
ନାଇଁ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି 2016 ଭିତରେ ସେ ସବୁ ନେବେ they have already paid during service period
କିଏ ରଖୁଛି ସାର୍ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ
2001 million
3 ରେ disburse କଲେ 1 to 3 the various phases they have disbursed 3 ଥରରେ କ୍ଲିୟର କଲେ ସେମାନେ
ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ମତେ ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ ଚାର୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କେବେ ଲୋନ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ କେବେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କେବେ ଦେଲେ କେବେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ କୋଉ ଏନପିଏ କୋଉ ଦିନ ଡିଟେଲ ଗୋଟେ ଚାର୍ଟ ତାପରେ ଏମିତି ଗପ ନାହିଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ କରୁ
Gratuity ଟା held up
ନେଇଥିଲି 12 ଦେଲି ଏଇଟା କଣ
gratuity ଟା held up payment section 13 payment of gratuity act.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ସାର୍ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ
gratuity ଟା ନେବି gratuity ଟା ନେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
You prepare a loan when the loan was sanctioned, what are the amount sanctioned, how many agreement ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା detail ଗୋଟେ note କର।
Every another date may fixed here.
I'm fixing another date. I'm giving 15 days time to do that. So 8 ହେଲା पूरा detail आए केस गुड़ा तो सब कागज देंगे पहले
already counter rejoined files already.
कहना this is first of all देखो बहुत एक केस गुड़ा एंटरटेन करिया कथा ना मैं करूँ ଆପଣ ସେଇଥିରେ ପୁଣି ଆସିକି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଭଳିଆ ଏଠି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ ହେ ଚଳ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେଠି ସେଠି ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଠି ଏଠିକି ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସିଧା ଯାହା ହେଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆଉ ଡିଆରଟି ସମସ୍ତେ ଭୁଲିଗଲେଣି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଡିଟେଲ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ
45.
45, my lord, that will come next week. In this case, your lordship directed me to produce a national mission of food processing scheme.
ଏଟା କଣ ଜିନିଷ
In this case, my lord, I have filed this writ application challenging the inaction of authority not this was my subsidy amount, Lord.
ସବସିଡି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ
Yes, Lord.
ଆପଣ କଣ କରନ୍ତି
I have opened a rice mill.
Rice
Yes, Lord. By taking loan under the National Mission Food Process Scheme, Lord.
what is the percentage of subsidy
Subsidy, my lord, there is a scheme, Lord. I have to get 25% subsidy amount from the.
how much loan you have taken
I have taken 1 crore.
1 crore
Yes, Lord.
that means 75 lakh you have to pay 25% government will pay you.
Yes.
That is the case the government is not paid that
Government not paid. Government.
Here there was a state level empowered committee meeting, annexed or A/2 in our counter affidavit. They have decided under what circumstance they will give the subsidy amount. Under what circumstances, what are the circumstances to grant the subsidy? Page 9 of the counter receipt form. Para 7. Let's see what.
That's it's proceeding at
Yes. Headed by the chief secretary. Page 9, para 7.
I want one answer. What is the reason for not
Yes,
giving you
that is I'm saying. Rice mills have to be promoted in those districts where there is deficiency
area,
of.
area league.
Yes.
But
Bhadra.
Bhadra district, Lord.
That is
Last
not- yes.
occasion my submission was, Lord.
ଭଦ୍ରକ ତ ପଡୁନି sir
हाँ ହେଲା ଯେ ସେଇଟା ହେଇଥିଲା
ହେଲା
କଣ
ଯେ ମାନେ
sir December sir
କିଛି district
may
କୁ 25% ଦିଆଯିବ
Yes.
ଯୋଉଟା backward district ଭଦ୍ରକ is not backward
sir ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି 2013 ମୁଁ ଲୋନ ନେଇଥିଲି 2013 ସେଇ ମିଟିଂ ଟା ହେଇନଥିଲା that resolution has
but scheme ରେ କଣ ଅଛି
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା prospective in nature not respect
scheme ଟା ଦେଖ
scheme ଟା
scheme ଟା ଦେଖ
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା last
Scheme ଟା
occasion
ମୁଁ-
your lordship directed to
Scheme ଟା ମୁଁ ଆଣୁଛି.
ଆପଣ scheme ଟା
Yes.
That's
Yes.
scheme. See, if you are eligible, why should they not be? If you are not eligible, actually କଣ ହୁଏ ଏମିତି case ରେ କିଛି district belong to some backward district and କିଛି subsidy ଦିଆଯାଏ support industry ଦିଆଯାଏ ଆଉ forward district already ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଯାଏ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସେ district ପଢୁଥିବାର ଅଛି ସେଟା ପଢିଲେ ଆପଣ ପାଇବେ let's see the scheme
Next week.
yes okay, after break
Next matter. Next matter. On the
25th.
On 21st of December 2023, your lordship directed my friend to produce the document relating to election and my lordship.
এটা কোনটা এটা
Trade union dispute.
Item 46. My friend is agreeable to submit the same
On
within a
20
week. He will submit the same within a week. Let the matter be taken up 25th, 26th.
ঠিক 25th
Item number 53, my lord.
53
My lord. AD has not back from the loanee, my lord. I am the guarantor. Your lordship has pleased to grant interim order to the petitioner.
item number 51 my lord.
2 weeks
नहीं AD टा आसीनी लोनी पास
out
आगे
item 51 my lord.
date दे दिया से 6th 7th August.
Item number 51, my lord.
वाला
AD has not come. Opposite party has not.
similar similar.
My lord,
Interim order अच्छी
Again?
interim order
No,
अच्छी?
no.
2 weeks time further time we granted for the opposite party to appear. So this is the 13th.
my lord,
13th.
13th August.
49.
49
I have to OP1 to file counter 10 days later. Counter the file will 10 दिन. My lord, item 50. It is not.
Sorry, when he
It is not back.
second half में काम is next.
Item 47.
47.
Tractor loan, I guess. 2017 ला एकदा घेतलं. 2016 ला 3,55,000. 3,55,000 सर मैं सर काउंटर में 14 ऐसे 14
छाड़ा ना आपण मतलब मोरली कौन तो ये केस में काउंटर रिजर्व बैंक केस से कौन देखंदे वो जानि पारेनी कौन काउंटर रिजर्व बैंक केस देखा हो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो एक हमें एंटरटेन करा था करा होची आ सेतरे पर हम काउंटर रिजर्व एते लंबा चौड़ा के करतो अपन कौन अछि केते पैसा देबे कंक्लूड करंतु खत्म
2019 रे सुद्धा
हां 2019 रे केते आपण देथिले बोली
2019 सुद्धा ते सर हमको देथिले 56,211 टका अछि 2019
टोटल केते अछि एते कथा टोटल पेंडिंग केते अछि
ये गाड़ी आज्ञा बिक्री होला
बिक्री गलानी
गाड़ी बिक्री हेलानी तापर कंज्यूमर कोर्ट को भी जाइछंती कंज्यूमर कोर्ट रे केस पेंडिंग अछि
सर आज
अछि से भी से रेफरेंस देना मु रेफरेंस देछि आप नंबर फोर
पळेबे कंज्यूमर केस पळेबे कोन एटा
कंज्यूमर केस रे पेंडिंग अछि सेतरे मु 30,000 रिपोर्ट
सर सेठी कोन कले मु लिस्ट बदल गोटे पेंडिंग थाय तो आपण रेट काय फाइल कले हां माने आपण जा चाहि जोडी फाइल कर सुप्रीम कोर्ट पळे जाय थाते नहीं कौन गोटे जाउछि एते गप नाही
सीसी नंबर 1
जोटी अछि मैटर सेठी
सीसी नंबर 159 by 2023
एटा ऑर्डर डाक्टर किछि कथा मैं सुनिबिनी नथिंग आई यू गो देयर नो नो बिल्कुल आई एम नॉट गोइंग हियर सर को कथा सुनिबार नै मोर कहले बस वंस यू हैव
से गाड़ीटा भी सब बिक्री कर देले लक्ष्य भाई
हां से गले जेते कर मोर कोन जाउ
लक्ष्य 42 रे बिक्री
एटा आपण बुझिबे से आपण पैसा देले बुझि देले
नहीं सर लक्ष्य 42
the petitioner challenges the action of the IndusInd Bank the opposite party bank by issuing
Kotak
after
Mahindra
paying the huh
कोटक महिंद्रा
आपण इंडस्ट्री लिखते आपण लिखते कोटक महिंद्रा इंडस्ट्री लिखते
ना सी तांको पिटिशन ले भूल तांको पिटिशन लगे बहुत भूल
से तो कहूची आपण
नहीं कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक लिमिटेड सर
आपण तो लिखि जंदी इंडस्ट्रीज बैंक मु सेडा से बिसरे कहूची कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक opposite party bank लिखते छाड़ा issuing after regular dues now the opposite party bank should notice the to seize the vehicle even after the order of consumer case number 159 of 2000 reference ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 159 of 2023 for the vehicle registration number ODO 5P0038 and counsel for the opposite party submits that since the petitioner had already approached to the consumer forum and the matter is pending before the said forum, this is nothing but forum shuffle. Hence, the petitioner is directed to approach the to pursue the matter in before the consumer forum, where the matter is pending, and warned that in future, if such kind of forum shopping is indulged in by the petitioner, the court shall be constrained to impose heavy cost on the petitioner. Accordingly, the petition is dismissed. You go there. I am not doing anything. ସେ କୁଆଡେ କଣ କରିବ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବାର ନାହିଁ why should I do interfere on consumer forum ପଳେଇବି ଏଠିକି ପଳେଇବି କଣ ଏଟା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଘରେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାର ବିଲକୁଲ ମୋର ଜରୁରୀ ଭାବୁନି ମୁଁ ବିଲକୁଲ ଜରୁରୀ ଭାବୁନି ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ରିପିଟେସନ ଯଦି ଆସିବେ କ୍ଲିନ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଆସିବେ ଏମିତି ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା ଡିସକ୍ଲୋଜ କଲେ ବି ମ୍ୟାଟର ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ସେଠି କାହିଁ ଆସିବେ ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି ଆସିବି ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବା ମୁଁ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବାର ନାହିଁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ସେଠି କରନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା କହିବାର ଅଛି ସେଠି କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେ ସବୁ ତ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ସେ କନ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ କେମିତି ଯିବେ ସେଇଟା କଥା ସେ କାହିଁ ଯିବେ ସେଠିକି ଏଠିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ ତାହେଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବେ କନ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ଯଦି ଆର୍ବିଟ୍ରେସନ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ଆଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ଯିବାର ଥିଲା 34 ରେ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଆପଣ କଲେନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ରିପିଟେସନ ତାର ଫୋରମ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋସିଡୁରାଲ ପ୍ରୋପ୍ରାଇଟି ରଖନ୍ତୁ କମ ସେ କମ ଆଉ ଖାଲି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲେ ସେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କାହିଁକି ଡିସମିସ୍ ନଟ୍ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇନି ବିକଜ ୟୁର ଇଜ ପୁଅର ଫାର୍ମର ଆଇ ନଟ୍ ଇମ୍ପୋଜିଂ କର ଅଦରୱାଇଜ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମିନିମମ୍ 10,000 କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇବା ଥିଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ସୁଧରିବେନି
48
48
item 48
who is for the opposite party
Date also was not conventional lordship at the time. My submission is that I have already filed the appeal challenging the impeachment order. There was an arrest warrant issued, which was sent to wrong address of the officer.
so issued in your favor
Against my officer.
against your
Officer. So that's the extreme punishment of the arrest warrant issued. So I
let me
filed-
state
You have already lost
Then,
the first order. So my thing is
So
that
do
it
one
can be
thing.
disposed of with the direction either to, I filed an appeal also before the state commission, proper channel I have gone. So till my stay application before the appeal is disposed of, this arrest warrant can be kept in abeyance. Or your lordship can set aside only arrest warrant. I will appear before the executing court also and also
that's
appeal
the
also.
better one this is the better thing to do
Madam,
let me set aside this
arrest
arrest warrant
warrant. And
And you
I'll
appear
appear
before the-
before I'll take the matter on merits. Why should I keep pending this?
Our constitutional petition filed with challenges the order dated 28/3 passed by the London District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission Cuttack in execution application number 54 of 2023 arising out of CC number 03 of 2023.
Page 12.
Page 12.
Actually, the correct address is 90C sector 18. It
Our
was
constitutional
issued to
petitioner submit
98.
that, despite the this is the order.
This is the order of the District Consumer Forum.
क्या
Cuttack.
तरीका 25 थी this thing this thing
What is it?
so since the matter is pending before the district consumer forum
The state forum, I filed the appeal.
district it is pending before
I filed the appeal 311 of 2024.
you file that
After the, it is filed, because I filed in 1st May.
but matter is pending still in the district forum
This is not
For-
even
for
listed for fresh
execution.
admission.
Huh?
Not even listed for fresh admission.
you have been to state forum for what?
After the writ is filed, after the lordship passed this order, because the arrest warrant, state commission will not, it takes 3 months to even to list the matter. Police had reached to the officers. So the.
Why
executive-
state commission takes so much time to list the matter?
Yes, I filed in 1st May and still not getting listed. It takes at least 3 months minimum to get these appeals listed. That's why the problem we are approaching in lordships. For exigencies like arrest warrant, otherwise other matters will not be.
Okay, like, in the meantime, the Lord Counsel for the petitioner submit that since arrest warrant has been issued by the President District CDR Commission Cuttack, Odisha, for not in the education case number so and so, under section 72.
No, 71, 72.
72 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. And Counsel for the petitioner submit that he has approached the this court because the state this matter takes about 1 month for listing before the State Commission.
But I'll just clarify one.
ଆମର ଯାହା କହିବୁ ଲେଖୁଛି
Ah,
ଆଉ ଏବେ
that's-
I want
that's why I'm- that's why
I
I'm-
want to pass an order. I mean, ordering the secretary, this thing, what is that? Civil
State
supply. Civil supply department something to appoint the chairman. Chairman is not there.
President is no.
President, sorry, president.
That's the problem.
So, it takes so much time, so it takes so much time in getting the matter listed. And the consumer, କେତେଟା ତାଙ୍କର member ଖାଲି ଅଛି ଏବେ?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 4ଟା member ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଦି ଜଣ ବସୁଛନ୍ତି।
ଦିଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ଦିଟା
President
bench
ଆଉ ଜଣେ
ଅଛି,
member।
ଦିଟା bench ଅଛି, 4ଟା member, bench 1, bench 2 ବସୁଛନ୍ତି।
And the administration in the consumer, the state consumer forum is in a chaotic situation because of the unavailability of the president of state consumer forum. And counsel for the state upon inquiry, and counsel for the state submit that the state post has been lying vacant since long. Since long. In view of the submission, the secretary, what department is that? Civil supply?
Consumer and civil supply.
Department नाम पूरा कौन?
Department of Consumer and Civil Supply.
Consumer affairs city.
Consumer affairs and civil supply.
Department of Consumer affairs, civil supply and consumer affairs. Now, since consumer affairs and civil development. Directed to take immediate steps to appoint the
Consumer Affairs and Civil Supply.
Consumer affairs and civil supply, Government of Odisha, directed to take immediate step to appoint the President, State Consumer,
State Commission.
State
Consumer
Consumer
Dispute
Dispute Resolution Commission within a period of 2 months from today.
A copy of this
And-
order be
and-
handed over to registry.
At the earliest, preferably within 2 months from today. A copy of this order be transmitted to the Secretary, Department of Consumer Affairs and Civil Supplies, Government of Odisha, Nation. Since in the meantime, the petitioner has approached them. See, I will tell you what, last week. In the meantime, the petitioner has approached them straight for me. Hence, this court sets aside the order passed by the districts, and order dated 28 March 2024, district passed by the district CDR Commission Cuttack, Odisha. And the petitioner to seek redressal of the, sorry, the petitioner to
Appropriate remedy before. Appropriate remedy before.
seeks appropriate remedy for the stage forum. Secondary disclosure.
Okay.
But that matter has to be in the further election qualification, na? Pending review for it. This way of thought, like, no problem. This way of thought, I file kar. नहीं, that appointment by. Or else you can, just file now, I file kar. You can file an I. I'm disposing it. Next.
50.
50.
Item 50.
Time. Time?
I did not do back.
Not returned? Ready, not returned. 50. This is matter on 8th August. 51.
Okay.
52.
One nine.
One thousand.
Okay, 52.
52.
Non appears. List the matter on 13th August. Next.
54.
54. 52. 54.
The report has come, I think.
Come. You have got that? Input I see.
Noting ଅଛି ଯେ।
अच्छा इधर देखो ना कौन देखो जानो रिपोर्ट ऐसा है
ଗୋଟେ seal cover ଆସିବ ନା?
Seal cover.
नहीं
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନୂଆ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ना
ଆସିବ।
सुरेंद्र कुमार पुरोहित हाँ खोला ही नहीं वो
नहीं खोला है।
कौन है इतनी लेट
ଆପଣ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକାଲି ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍।
रिपोर्ट नोटिंग नहीं।
Just I'm fixing on Monday, sir. Just we'll get the register. Next. Next.
55.
55. 5 non appears. List matter on 13th August. 56.
For hearing item 56.
What is the matter?
56.
Regarding appointment under rehabilitation assistance scheme,
Which department?
DRDA. DRDA,
DRD.
service record.
They have got the. Not a
Panchayat Raj Department.
scheme लखा है जी अब आपण को परमानेंट जॉब पाई schematic
For that reason, you will also call for the service record because in the appointment order.
your appointment scheme sir
तापर देखो service record.
तापर आपण
The service record is सब जाका benefit at par with the government employee दिया है. Will also make the appointment order.
no order scheme can't get
Hello, scheme जोटा देइले से scheme टा से मन निजे फाइल करसन that scheme
जोटा आसी पेपर मु ताको देखिबी आ एते
से scheme टा भी से माने फाइल करसन
सेमान की फाइल करत कि
नहीं से scheme that scheme ends in 1990. My appointment is in the year 1995. For that reason, my specific stand that scheme is not applicable to me. And apart from that, in my appointment order, my appointment order will lekha hai. My appointment order also, it is mentioned that he is entitled to get all the benefits, including increment, TA, DA, etc., etc.
TA is different, sir. Increment देबे नहीं देबे. TA देबे that आपण के तो
At par with the government employees in the appointment.
आपण को schematic department में सेटा दिया हुए किंतु कथा हो
से जो scheme कथा कहउछंती when that scheme was not valid in 1995.
valid जानी नहीं आपण का appointment scheme रही छी ना नहीं scheme रही छी आ scheme रही छी आपण rehabilitation scheme केंदी पाइबे
नहीं scheme रे है नहीं.
All Odisha District Rural Development Agency Employee Service Regulation 1989 এটা হলো রুলটা
आपण entitled मोर कोन हातरु जाउची I have to
नहीं मु सेथिबे
I have to see the law only.
नहीं for that
Law
reason.
is in your side, I don't have any.
For that reason, may I pray?
See, if law is not in your side, I can't.
नहीं may I pray, Your Lordship? Let me be supplied with a copy of the service book. Let me go through the same because I don't have the copy of the service. For that reason, ନା ଏଇଟା ଯେହେତୁ ଆସିଛି ଜେରକ୍ସ କପି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଡେ ମୋଟାଟା ଏଡେ ମୋଟାଟା ଅଛି ଦେଖି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ
Because my.
there is a connected matter.
There is a
Another
connected,
matter is
second
there,
connected
the
matter is
second connected matter, wherein
there. And in
my
that
friend
case,
is there.
other candidate also get the compensation appointment.
No. Sir, what are the, first of all, tell me, let me tell you. Compassion, appointment is not matter of right.
Yes, yes.
It is always discretion. Man, Pakistan post thibo.
Post is available. They have given the benefit to some.
କାହିଁ ହବ ଆଉ କୋଉଠୁ
ନାଇଁ
ମାନେ କାହିଁ ହବ
post available ମୁଁ
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବି ଆପଣ ନିଜ ପାଇଁ ବି ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି କହୁଛି post ଅଛି ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି DRDO ନୁହଁ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ରାଜ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ରାଜ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ରାଜ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ DRD ଅଫିସ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ DRD ର ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଚୁଆଲ ଇଏ ସେ ଚାଲିଛି
ସ୍କିମ୍ ଟା ହବନି କାହିଁକି କାରଣ ସ୍କିମ୍ ତ ନଥିଲା ସ୍କିମ୍ ରେ ଖାଲି
ସରି
ସେ ମୁଁ ସର୍ଭିସ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିଦିଏ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ keep it to any other day any other day ଆଉ ଦିନକୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
this is the matter of 12, 13, 14, 15, 16th August. किसी जिनसे you have certain
16th
No, sir, other candidate ମାନେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ compensation.
ନା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ let them
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି affidavit ରେ ଦେଇଛି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଯୋଉମାନେ
you
ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
also
ଆମେ ବି ଦେଇଛୁ ସୁବ୍ରତ appointment letter ଦେଇଛୁ.
petitioner also verify whether similarly placed person have been appointed ଯଦି
Yes.
ପାଇଛି ମାନେ will see definitely
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି
but
ସେମାନଙ୍କ
again let me tell you again
ଆଜ୍ଞା
it's not a matter of right
yes that's true my lord. Law is settled.
yes next
58,
58
58.
what is the matter
Milords, I have submitted my rejoinder on Friday.
What is the matter about?
Milords, here, Milords, my bank guarantee is being encashed. Where,
Bank
when,
guarantee for what
for performance security,
what are
Milords.
the
I-
performance security
But award has been passed where the honorable arbitrator has stated that the bank guarantee
why
has to
have
be.
you come here
Milords, I don't have any other jurisdiction.
why
Yes, Milords.
arbitrator has if arbitrator has passed the order then you could have approached the 34
34, they have gone for 34. I am the award winner.
they have gone to 34 then
They have this no stay.
then 37
They have gone.
when then 37
Milords,
I'm not 37
Milords, Dimitri, बुझे दी कहीं क्या why I should come here. Milords, I was a contractor. They are the respondent. They alleged slow progress. We went to arbitration. District judge said you cannot invoke the bank guarantee. Honorable arbitrator said you cannot invoke the bank guarantee. Honorable arbitrator passes an award that bank guarantee should be returned to the claimant, that is me. Thereafter, they file a section 34. They go to Visakhapatnam. Our work was here, jurisdiction is here, they go to Visakhapatnam. I file an execution petition. Now, the Visakhapatnam application is dismissed. They come before the Bhubaneswar court. Because they are pursuing no stay on award, no stay on the award.
34 in 34 you have any grievance in the 34 court you should have approached 37 court
Milords, 34 is only for setting aside the award. They have the grievance. So there is a favorable order by the award by the arbitrator in my favor. That you
but otherwise also I mean
There
they
is no-
though even arbitration
yes, Milords, the deep industries were precludes before the arbitration proceeding.
Arey baba tum why do you have to understand
Milords,
if you want to even if you have any other grievance like suppose you have any grievance related to arbitration this bench is not for that
Milords, that is
I
Milords, that
can't
was my
pass any
submission.
order.
Milords, read petition arising out of arbitration goes to Justice S.K. Mishra. I
Yeah,
have,
let it go there
yes, that is. I don't want to say that Milords
No,
will
no,
think that I am.
that's why I'm saying that
That
from
is
the
what.
beginning I'm
I
saying
am ethic. I am
let
kichha
this
this.
matter be placed before the appropriate bench since this bench is not the roster of this bench
Yes, I agree.
let
But
this matter be placed before the chief justice.
interim order would have said that.
And the interim order. ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ କିଛି ହବନି ସେଠିକି ଯାଅ।
I ନେଇଯିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା railway I know.
If I am not entertaining then why should I pass interim order? There is
Till that date. Till that date. If the honorable.
they are not କିଛି ହବନି
ନେଇଯିବେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଆୱାଜ ମୋ ଫେଭରରେ ଅଛି ନେଇଯିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସତ୍ୟକ ସାର୍ ଯଦି ବି କହିଦେବେ କନସେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ ତାହେଲେ
In the, say, these people are very cunning.
ସେ ନେଇଯିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ନେଇଯିବେ
In the meantime, the petitioner be protected by from encashment of the bank guarantee bearing 050551 6B last order nine. Just date. Last order 26/10/2022. Protected encashing the bank guarantee bearing 05055161 BG 0001327 till the matter is decided before the appropriate bench of this court.
much of it.
Next.
59.
59.
55 madam.
55.
Sir, non-appear age have
55. वो अपन मजरे पड़े थे और रॉयवेल तो नाम पे लिखे नहीं यस यस
59.
59 सर कौन है ला अपन करो
सर मु रिजेंडर दे देथिली रिजेंडर सर तीनटा कथा मु पॉइंट आउट करछि गोटे कथा हला मैं सबमिट प्रायर टू दिस
ये पेटिशन
नहीं अच्छी था परिया
पेटिशन ठीक पहुंच कौन
मोर मोर कहया कथा कहि दैछन से जोटा आई विल शो दैट दैट इज नॉट
ठीक है लेट हिम
सर ये पिटिशन ने मु गोटे रिप्लाई देई सर जे एनपीए जो हला बैंक रे এটা টোটাল ভায়োলেশন অফ রুল से माने एनपीए कले
ये गोटे इश्यू तो आपण करे गोटे पॉइंट आ
सर लिसन अदर इश्यू प्लीज लिसन मी फॉर 1 मिनिट सर थ्री लोन्स आर देयर सीसी टर्म लोन स्टडी लोन 16 रे थिला 21 पर्यंत टाइम अछि 15 वर्ष टाइम अछि मोराटोरियम पीरियड ताको टाणी आनिके एनपीए कर देले जदियो ता धर रिकवरी पुण नै छथि अनेक्स 3 अछि
स्टडी लोन टा केबे टू स्टार्ट
21 रे स्टार्ट होवा कथा किंतु माने 19 रे ताको 19 20 रे ताको एनपीए कर देले जेहेतु सीसी दा एनपीए गले परचुन सर
यस जान अछि मिलिटरी पीरियड स्टडी लोन को कैसे जोड़ देले स्टडी लोन इज टोटली डिफरेंट
गाइडलाइंस प्लीज
आरबीआई गाइडलाइंस से स्टडी लोन को
borrower wise not the account wise
but
NPA to be considered
सर सब ठीक जे but
NPA to be considered borrower wise not
स्टडी लोन के नहीं दिला
स्टडी लोन ये थिले ये इन्वॉल्व गारंटर ये तंदर गारंटर
सर स्टडी लोन रे गारंटर दरकार नहीं
स्टडी लोन रे गारंटर दरकार गारंटर
तापर आगु अपने नहीं जिबे आपण आगु किदे नहीं जिबे आगे स्टडी लोन मोराटोरियम पीरियड थाए मोराटोरियम पीरियड
गोटे मते पहिले म तो कहबी
स्टडी लोन
काइंडली अलाउ सम टाइम काइंडली अलाउ माय सन व्हाट दे आर डूइंग व्हाई दिस पॉलिसी हैज बीन आरबीआई फाइल that it should be considered borrower wise
सर मेरे
आरी पैसा नहीं कि एठी एनपीए
सर मु जानी छी borrower wise मोर खाली गोटे कहवा कथा हला स्टडी लोन रे जेहेतु गोटे सर पुओ कि झियो कि गोटे पढुतबो से तार गोटे तार स्कीम अलगा टोटली एथरे क्लब कला हबनी से नंबर हां से डिफॉल्टर हम यू कैन क्लब
डिफॉल्टर है पांचटा
यस सॉरी व्हाट ही इज सेइंग तार मोराटोरियम पीरियड थाए एति पीरियड पढेला भितरे आपण केवल इंटरेस्ट लेबे आपण यू कांट just start recovering हला मोराटोरियम पीरियड पूर्व आपण के
that is whole my say he was
सर मते से मोर आंसर तो दोना थे
कोच पूरा चारिटा अकाउंट रहिला
खाली आपण के मोराटोरियम पीरियड पूर्व मोराटोरियम 21 थिला 19 रे केमति नेले
आगे पर it should be considered borrower wise माने मत
सर borrower wise से पता पुणी कहली मु borrower wise जानि छी
सुन यार ये
तो borrower wise जानि छी बट when the student is studying तार पई तो स्टडी लोन
काहे की एता हेला
आपण बुझु ना काहे स्टडी लोन नहीं छी स्टडी लोन रो से ये करछि पिलाडे पाठ पढुछि त आपण 21 रे त लोन स्टार्ट हिता त आपण 19 रो काहे नेली सेटा पतर छु आपण borrower wise मु जानि छी एडा फर्स्ट टाइम बैंक के सुन borrower wise मु जानि छी बट क्वेश्चन व्हाट स्टडी लोन आसे सेतेबेले आपनकर ए क्लबिंग सिस्टम स्टडी लोन करा जाय जनरली बैंक में एज प्रूडेंशियली दे डोंट डू दैट is a prudent banker they don't do that because somebody studying tar path padhaye studying course tar complete moratorium period bahare je dela you can take any coercive step nobody will stop you but before that moratorium period is over you can't just clog the study loan with all other loans that you can't do that is high handedness of the bank ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ କରନ୍ତୁ ମନା ନାହିଁ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା
Arbitrary action, sir. Sir, I am showing with the ledger, sir. From the very first day of the disbursement of the education loan, they deducted installments. Like
interest ଖାଲି ଦେବା କଥା ନା।
no, sir, interest भी दबार नहीं. Interest भी optional up to 20 lakhs. अच्छी से circular, sir. Optional up to 20 lakhs. So interest no installment काट चल रहे. मैंने there's deducted 7 lakhs. By this time, this CC loan becomes NPA. That deducted 7 lakhs.
This is wrong. Installment can't be in
You have to examine that whether.
sir study loan scheme रे ନାହିଁ ସେଟା।
Sir, you see the ledger, sir. I have given you the ledger copy. I have given you the ledger copy. Along with
study loan ନେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି। scheme ରେ ନାହିଁ। study loan scheme ରେ ସେଟା ନାହିଁ। So don't tell me about study loan and its entirety. I am personally I have taken the study loan. Study loan is simply huई. Study loan is a different scheme altogether because it started during 2003-04. Chidambaram, when he was finally he started this study loan first time.
Yes.
और फिर बाकी चलला even there is a sovereign guarantee also, even bank guarantee दरकार नहीं कितने बड़े amount पर है।
Yes, yes, sir.
Fixed amount
Up to 7.5 lakhs.
हाँ
The circular I have it.
bank guarantee दरकार ना तोड़ दरकार नहीं डेटा को पूछ study loan में आपने 7.5 लाख दरकार नहीं। Let us study loan है कि different, it should be treated differently. Can't be clubbed with any other loan by the father or the mother age. See no, because study loan to purpose का
Yes. That very purpose is defeated.
तो study loan आपने interest ना देवे। interest देवे, interest ना देवे से आपने ठीक है interest देने पाले आपने कौन notice देवे कौन।
The interest knowledge it accrued है किसी
interest भी पर that can be clubbed so request.
Yes, yes.
You take that instruction study loan to कहीं आपने कुछ
When did it happen? When it happened, when my
study loan was about
केबे हला
study loan was about to complete.
केबे हला तो
19 sir study loan नेला से 16 रे 1960 रे 16 रे for 4 years plus 1 year 5 years engineering outside the state.
वर्षे ना दिवस था वर्षे था
हाँ
वर्षे पर स्टार्ट
22 रे आरंभ कथा जेहेतु सीसी टाकू से माने 19/1/2020 रे कर देले एनपीए ता संगे टैग कर देले एज बिकॉज़ इट इज ए ही स्टूड एज ए गारंटर सर गारंटर इज ए को-ऑब्लिगेटर व्हेन इट स्टार्ट्स व्हेन द ही बिकम्स डिफॉल्टर व्हेन मैटर इज ड्यू तीन टाइम क्लब कला पर एथि सर 7 लाख टका रिकवर करछन ड्यूरिंग दैट
आज आगे 2024 रे कोन ए क्वेश्चन उठिला कि आगे
क्वेश्चन यू हैव मेड अ रॉन्ग थिंग सर you have the bank has put me in trouble.
Sir, that's why let him complete. Because the process have started wrongly from the beginning. So if you start things wrongly, that can arise at any time.
2020 it has arisen.
21 जाते आपने छुईबा कथा
So again, ये तो जिनसो किचे my lord kindly see this petition. They have filed in the essay application. Only problem has come to when the OTS has not been accepted and they have been defaulted. All these things has been created.
Created. Who has created? Who has created? You have done it. The bank has done it.
2020, if it has happened, why not he has come immediately? Why he has come after the 2024 after 4 years? If it has happened, so suppose bank has done some wrong thing, he should have come in against the study loan. He waited when the OTS has not been considered. Here he has given a petition that my OTS may be considered.
No.
And you explain. My lord, kindly see that petition. And you explain why you have charged expenses 10,000, 11,000. My lord, kindly see that what is the due. And he is clearly telling that you.
Yeah, what about the RBI circular? He was showing that if suppose a person, if OTS has been granted and the person pays 25% of the OTS amount, it should be given at least 1 year time to complete the whole thing.
That is OTS compromise. That time the OTS compromise is completely different. Compromise based upon some budget holding. Bank is holding some budget. Something is going on and some budget is coming up. Then some cases has been considered on that basis. So it is a fix for the compromise among what bank is holding and they are applying to that thing. OTS means there is time to time schemes are coming.
That I know.
Then it is not a OTS my lord. It is that things cannot be gone. It is 2005 my lord. 2005 what they are showing, this is a 2005 scheme. And all these things they are clubbing.
But the circular of RBI, that is not, I mean, still I think hold good.
No, toda time to time
repeal ହେଇଗଲାଣି ସେ circular ଟା repeal ହେଇଗଲାଣି
ସେଇଠୁ ତ ଦେଖିବା time
ସେ circular ଟା repeal ହେଇଗଲାଣି କି ପଚାରୁଛି
ସେ circular ସେ ତ OTS ଲେଖିଛି ନା and it's a compromise. Compromise is based on a fixed period when the budget is allocation. Suppose ଆମର ଅଛି budget ଅଛି ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ଆମେ ଦବୁ ଏଇ ବାଟେ adjust କରିବୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଗଲା ପଇସା ବଢିଗଲା to we have entertained some of these schemes. ତାପରେ ହେଲା ये only OTS we have not entertained because due to their default they have come up and this petition is pending and it is already heard by this DRT. DRT is heard by the DRT and we have already submitted.
DRT pending ଅଛି
ଏଇଟା पर DRT ର petition ଟା ମୁଁ ଦଉଛେ DRT ରେ pending ଅଛି ଆଉ last page କାହିଁକି
DRT pending ତା ଏଠି କାହିଁ ଚାଲା
ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତା ଦେହରେ last page କାହିଁକି only they are questioning this legal and other expenses 1145. They are not questioning. They are telling that 1145 how you ask your manager to explain. Maybe he may be called personally appear and he will explain that 1145.
Sir, what is the sir?
Let him consider.
No, sir, let me submit.
Both the things they are having different.
Sir, now he is over. Let me submit, sir.
He said, my lord, can you see that OTS, all these things?
Nothing. OTS is nothing but a compromise.
My lord, can you see that? My lord, can you see second page? That the
sir, that issue can also be raised there. If RBI already violated,
they have raised.
Sir,
that the aforesaid application to challenge the illegal arbitrary action taken
I am
by
not going to
opposite party after accepting OTS scheme.
this thing I can raise there.
They have already raised.
So this is pending.
no, sir, that is not a forum where
This is not a forum.
sir, that is not the forum to put my grievances by which I have been exploited under the constitution of law. I have been, what happened after 4 years? I have been exploited from the beginning. Sir, please stop. I have been exploited from the beginning. Regarding
whatever you have been exploited, rather since the matter is pending before the DRT, you go and
DRT pending. Sir, DRT has no jurisdictions to consider these things. He has only surface act 17 धारारे केवल 13 section 13 रे तांकर पावर अछि आ कोउथरे पावर नाही. सर compromise रे जो कहउचंती compromise OTS अलगा compromise रो circular भी मुसारे जोड़ीची 43 रे आपण देखंतु मोर compromise रे RBI कोन कहउची page 43 wait OTS मध्य गुटे compromise OTS भी compromise सर repayment period 43 सर देखंतु मोर जो rejoinder रो 43 page सर देखंतु annexed age it is a compromise circular given by the RBI. The repayment period is same, sir. Page 44.
OTS and this compromise is the same thing, not something.
Yes, sir. What the parallel? What? So I am coming to the page.
Compromise is different.
Sir, please coming to page. Come please to the page 33. What they say? What RBI says? Compromise settlement. The first compromise of this settlement. Compromise settlement. The expression means a settlement which involves a compromise in common parlance referred to the one-time settlement. It is also one-time settlement. Regarding budget, there is budget provisions are kichhi no. It is a technically write-off way. Se technically write-off eti huए, seti technically settle हुए. Write-off है ही था, सेटा waive है ही. Eti खाली write-off टा हुए provision करन से write-off रे. This is the only different. No different. It is a general parlance. It is a general parlance. It is RBI guidelines, sir. 8 June 23 रे release ହେଇଛି. You see the first time. 8 June 23 ରେ release ହେଇଛି. It is also OTS. ଏବଂ OTS ର guideline ବି କହୁଛି, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଟା ଦେଖେଇଲି, ସେଥିରେ ବି କହୁଛି repayment period is 1 year.
Guideline ଟା ଦେଲି.
Sir.
Sir.
Here, what is sir? Kind of होची दी.
Petition prayer ता बकी ना गुटे guideline. Same thing would be from.
नहीं, same thing.
Prayer.
But गुटे जिंस होंतु. Both the forum, आपन को जदि से OTS time रे जदि आपन एटा को strictly follow करथांते ए situation तो जाई न थांदा ना. This thing should not have gone this far. Had you considered that what is this guideline?
It's not applicable to the instruction.
Yes, yes, it is applicable, both things, both the things
ଆପଣ
are.
କହିବେ ଆମେ ଦବୁ ଆପଣ କହିବେ
As per the-
ତାହେଲେ ସାଇନ୍ କେହି କରୁଥିଲେ?
As per the petition.
Yeah, I am coming to that also.
It is bilateral agreement, both
Not
parties are.
as per the
ମାନେ ମୋର ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟିଏ point ମାଇଲଟ କନସିଡର କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଯାହା
compromise settlement
order
as an expression means settlements which involves compromise in common parlance. And this is referred to as one-time settlement for OTS. Accordingly, the RBI guideline has given a leeway to the petitioner for, what is that guideline?
Sir, 44, page 44, sir.
The RBI guideline is given a leeway to the petitioner wherein the which is clarified on 31st March 2000 and is extracted here in below. Lord Counsel for the petitioner to take instruction as to why this the RBI guideline on the OTS has not been followed by the bank.
One second, then my notice. NPA classified as Dr. Doubtful for loss as on 31st March 2000. 2000 पूर्वରୁ जो NPA declare ହେଇଛି ତା ପାଇଁ ये guideline है. ମାନେ kindly read.
ଆପଣ ଏଙ୍କର କେବେ ହେଇଛି?
ଆଙ୍କର ଏବେ କାର
Sir, ମୁଁ 23 ର circular ଦେଲି sir RBI ର framework ଟା.
NPA is classified as
8 ଜୁନ 23 ମସିହାରେ ଦେଲି sir.
as on 31st March 2000.
What is there? I have given I have given a framework of comprehensive proposal.
ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ NPA ହେଇଛି ତା ପାଇଁ this guideline is
Time to time it is coming in the same way, sir. Repayment period is same.
No, my lord. It cannot be.
It is 8 ଜୁନ 23 ରେ sir ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି circular ଟା.
ତା ଦେହରେ club colony ଆଜ୍ଞା education loan ତା ଭିତରେ club colony
Club କଲି କଣ? You have club.
all these things
You have club.
all these things again
You have club.
Right, sir. It is any NPA classified as substandard as on 31st March 2000, which become doubtful or lost subsequently. Out of 2000.
Sir, that is from time to time. Again, I have given you
Time to time. এইটা তো যেটা আপন দেখুଛନ୍ତି সেটা তো 2000 পর না.
I am speaking about the repayment schedule. What is the framework? The repayment schedule. Nothing new. You have hidden many things you have done wrongly. You have at the bank has acted arbitrarily. That for that with only one man has become poor.
The issued by the Reserve Bank of India and the RBI guidelines are binding on the bank. The bank shall deal with the case of the borrower under RBI guideline on OTS. In the present case, the petitioner should, the case of the petitioner should have been considered under the aforesaid RBI guideline and concept of the bank to file an affidavit explaining why the aforesaid RBI guideline has not been followed. Report card. List the matter. 6th August. 33 page report card.
Sir, ତାହେଲେ ସେ interim application ଟା ଟିକେ allow କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ sir. Otherwise they will sell the possessed property.
The meantime, no possible survey taken.
ମୁଁ ତ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛି କହୁଛି
ନାଇଁ କହିବାର କଣ ଅଛି bank
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ରହିଗଲା
6th. No question till next date. Till next date.
Yes.
Not 6th ज्यादा नहीं 30th कर दूँ है ना 30th जुलाई ठीक है आप लोग जल्दी सुविधा
नहीं ठीक है because both the forum self and things
वो देखिए just wait at the same time banking behavior should also be changed na sir for
that I
what banking the prudent banking behavior is also
my lord 2000 ର ये ତାଙ୍କ admittedly 20 ର problem ଉଠେଇଲେ 24 ରେ all these things
you take action if they have not paid but at the same time we should also believe in prudent banking behavior which we have
not already realized so I am nothing to say sir all these things crux is that compromise compromise ର ଆସିଲା ଏଠିକି
Sir,
ତାପରେ all
ଗୋଟେ-
these old things has been clubbed
Okay,
clubbed together, whole thing clubbed together. That I will explain.
Next.
Clubbed together.
60.
Item 60.
Problem, sir.
60.
May I please, my lord, on behalf of Mr. S.K. Dwivedi, kindly one week after.
अरे तुम्हारा द्विवेदी कहाँ चले जाते हैं कभी भी टाइम मांगते रहते हैं
Common colon.
हाँ ଗୋଟେ ଦ୍ୱିବେଦୀ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟର ମ୍ୟାଟର ଏଠି ନେଇକି ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦ୍ୱିବେଦୀ ଦେଖା नहीं कौन କଥା हाँ छोटा द्विवेदी आके और कुछ दूसरे कोर्ट का इधर लेके आ जाता है बड़ा द्विवेदी दिखाई नहीं देता हो ठीक है 20th August हला tell him on the next date he should be present with कौन written submission along with list of date अलगा कोर्ट ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପୁରା एकदम ଛାତି ଦାହାଡ के आर्ग्यू କରୁଛ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଦେଖା ନାହିଁ କଣ କହୁଛ এটা ফিরে দাও যদি কোর্টକୁ
Oblige, my lord.
Sir, namaskar.